nso no ebo no begina mu na fe ayira mu atimi atete kakra na fe yede ani kire oman atifi ho no mu a eno nso no emu be wo kakra na je se mframa no ase emu odin kakra de saa no na fe yede ko eye na nwumre no nso no mbesheda ayedin ebo no so betimi agina ho no mo me kire oman no natifi empotem ho no mo no na fe baabi a enkokko wo se mpoano ene baabi a se bi akwaye wo no mepo wo no ade no so no ebetumi agina mu a prana no begina mu kakra kopem se ade en be kopem eye anwumre na anopa yi no baabi a mepo ene nkokko wo no nyina no prana no nsuo betumi agina mu kakra nti upua na watumi ho afade a betumi afa se ne be ya ho no mo no ekotefa so na nsuo koto a na ho antumi ankocho na anumu no yewie saa no na de ni kire eye pumpuni mantamu enkran ye hwese ne a eye wada no betumi akwa kogina ho no na no pai no ye hwem pa de a na kyese wiemu hye no anopa be gina nkran mu no enkran eye aduonu eye miensa ani anopa ibremu no na wiemu no akọ eye aduasa eye mienu na anwumre akwakoda no na akwakodina aduonu eye ensia ifi ho no mu a na de ani ache eye kofodua eno so no bo no ebegina eye aduaso pepepe na fi na wiemu no akọ aduonu eye mienu na fi aduanan no begina mu wia no sene be ya prana ne se mu nkyeremu ne se ne wiembe no be ya aduanan na fi emuhye no awia no be kọ aduasa eye mienu na nwumre no ode yakoda na de akwakodina mu eye aduonu eye ensia yewura David eye mensa ono ko ya wode nkrai ede ebere ye nti obi apia na fade wo so be fa nafa na ne ho atumi an ha no no akọ na watumi aba
anapaya fasa kesi ema Elisa ya company limited Ramadan Roma osise wo pe tletro moton pa omde ne bi ene ne ya jetum hotel sa twe ho hye nyina source ene ade wo cutting so entumu sansa ne ebeji ne de ekusu secret na timi aboa na ne matimi ay kama de ama 0244403090 na nimpanini komo okwa so ho ene yi tissues ahodo na ye de aboa bomodian nimpanini komo na entimi mu akwame free cataract surgery ete
ne si nipa ni so no
ene tele kwasi hospital any Himalayan cataract project and akabum say adipa ofia oye nti yenu anamo mo ben ha woni bi odi hye bi obi hye ni bi na ete sinani so a ne die na ofadie aben
odi ye
se bomodia na mentumika na omra tete kwashi sanse be ye operation we so praying na ye yisate na free nipa ni so bomodia ni panini komo e was 0547 889292 my friend Sarah or friend na actually say wuseni bi obabi ana wankasa wo how eteni bi how enti oba na o ma hwe ehun sise nyina ono obedi won komo ohwe na enye nso a no asim pam na kotete kwashi eye clinic na
ono ma hwe
ya buku ya screening bibia kama e de ama na pa yentia Alhaji Abu ono ne accountant in fact head of finance e wo tete kwashi Memorial Hospital oye adwuma ho nye na ne tima bobi obono mode papa na administrator so ni ono so obono mode pa opani okohwese ne papa yi eni adwumefo no edi dwuma fa esewani na enso ka kire enti administrator Misalabi ana pa ono so tienka ya mana chena matron Ernestina no DDNS deputy director of nursing services on and Alhaji no on what they say head of finance and ukoho anso so Daniel account must your account no income
account for nyamenshira wo
ana maybe Mrs Kumado ono so deputy admin ono so pay yacha Dr. Bennett ono ne medical superintendent medical director ho
Dr. Bennett
obo ne homo de pa no pay yema yenu anam ne yanamfo nyina achi ya besra wo yenu ya ofurika so obo no pay yemo nyina achi no pay
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Waraka faba wara chro ashushe no sibon kushe bo sebini we Jala wangu kesi inono wangu efide DJ I am a Christ I'm fama Messiah Ishakanya nebima oh baby Jala wangu kesi inono wangu efi I am a Christ I'm fama Messiah Ishakanya nebima oh baby Jala wangu kesi inono wangu efi Wama onzi wasoni mo biara bi okede nanko kesi wama onzi emianum wama onjini kaide da chibi abrabo yubo bulishi na wala si wonsa bobu wa weti I am a Christ sazidaji maza doje raze mezi imo biara bi pende wangu kesi awu produce
Okuma Radio.
I am a Christ. Ishakanya bima obibi. Esibana tizi nekaide mele wangu libeti. Ti oya susuti.
Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
I'm fama Messiah. Ishakanya bima obibi. Jala wangu besi. Nana wangu befi. I am a Christ. I'm fama Messiah. Ishakanya bima obibi. Jala wangu besi. Nana wangu befi. Olo bezi onumo biara bi okada nanko kezi wama onzi breda wama onzi
Okuma Radio.
kaidachi abrabo yobo kulichi wala ti wonsa boku wa weti
Okuma Kapim. Okuma Radio 97.1.
ashushe no siwon kusho bomu sebini weni wosom wonyinyi po onyabuo jala wangu kezi inono wangu efide DJ I am a Christ I'm fama Messiah Ishakanya nebima oh baby
Okuma Radio.
I am a Christ I'm fama Messiah Ishakanya nebima oh baby Jala wangu kezi inono wangu befi Wama onzi wasoni mo biara bi okede nanko kezi wama onzi emianum wama onjini kaide da chibi abrabo yubo bulishi na wala si wonsa bobu wa weti I am a Christ
Okuma Radio.
Mezi imo biara bi pende wangu kezi awu produce awu na
Okuma Radio.
I am a Christ. Ishakanya bima obibi. Esibana tizi nekaide mele wangu libeti. Ti oya susuti na wangu liboshi. I am a Christ.
Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ishakanya bima obibi. Jala wangu besi. Nana wangu befi.
Okuma Radio.
I am a Christ. I'm fama Messiah. Ishakanya nebima oh baby. Jala wangu besi. Nana wangu befi.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Waraka faba wara chro. Ashushe no siwon kusho bomu sebini weni wosom wonyinyi po onyabuo jala wangu kezi
Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
I'm fama Messiah mo biara bi okede nanko kesi wama onti enianum wama onchini kaide da chibi abrabo yubo
Okuma Radio 97.1.
I am Christ. Says Mezi imobia rabi and the one who gets it. I will produce it. I will not ask you what.
Okuma Radio.
I am a Christ. Ishakanya bima obibi. Esibana tizi nekaide mele one who.
Okuma Radio.
Oh yeah, susuti. Now one full of shit. I am a Christ. I'm fama Messiah.
Okuma Radio.
Ishakanya bima obibi. Chele wangu pezi. Wangu befi. I am a Christ. I'm fama Messiah. Ishakanya bima obibi. Chele wangu pezi. Wangu befi. Olo bezi.
All right, just about 19 minutes to 9 on your station 97.1. Masa,
Chief.
and a very you better near the common. When we say weekend no me GJ Awards.
But you, yeah.
My journalist of the year, Portia Solomon, Gavo, and when you journalist of the year, and then you might be brave. Somewhere in 2020, if I'm not far from right, me winning award or GGA. Okay, me coaching. Na onoso ni kunu. I think she has a very supportive husband. To ni kunu ni ma, omo the next table. And onoso aba. I'm not surprised one name one. My former station, we need best station in the region.
Okay.
And na a project number said me retain is but Okuma ko ekono Yakopon Daroma. When you my na me bia say Yakobe Pajanisa.
Na regional sanitation award no Kumasi de no. Omakwajiaba na. Sanka ma yehu ya, sanka gwajiaba nanka yewura Meshak MC nanka de abefa ha. Nanka mansan nyina te se Okuma for bo chidom no akwaji award na bana
weekend last weekend
Portia Solomon me kai mani akomachi ase okonifa senior high say yeah me kaka mani kakra komachi Portia Solomon me kaka wo mu bi very smallish lady nti ya e din koma hwe se no anase bia na ni nia obono oya de o hwet nyuma na o di se ne o ka mo frade ne ade no ana o ye no crazy one mo na wo ye program bi me refi program no e ma ho nsem ne ade eno so na edi kom papa enti enye nwanwa se oba so no Portia Solomon ever smiling abribia oba set so me say na siri ne sin egu so kama na say o sere ante nwanwa se watumi anya journalist of the year no award ntino ye bona baso ema ne trinkwa migiri se we enkohye ne tim nkoye ne de na fi Ghana no onya award ba ko mienu na fi order na we ne sinika boot na wo ya unime hwe me na afi atwa migi award no adwumakura fi wonko bio adwumakura wonko we na otwa mi o me Portia Solomon no TV3 unime me na migi award no ma adwuma no mema enche ne tim na mu onsi fam no ntonko so na ne ese wo ya abrene ado nyina no watumi aye na akenya na apeja TV3 station no na ade nyina tumi akonka ye hwe nim se dama bi kranka BBC Awards on Africa no kra no nanka Portia ne nyuma edi nakọ BBC Africa na je wakọ peja sa kruwa chenchire na ade nyina tumi akonka ndi ma na mu emo na baso ne adwuma so na anya no nko one mema kantinka akotiko na ehia ya odo mu nyina chia kan fam sa no nti
story no or say Portia Gabo TV3's presenter at Check 2021 Journalist of the Year. TV3 journalist Portia Solomon Gabo has won the 2021 Journalist of the Year at the 26th Ghana Journalists Association GJ Awards night. The acclaimed media personality also clinched the coveted Health Journalist of the Year with a feature Health for Wealth. Portia Agaba acknowledged the predecessors of journalism in Ghana when she ascended the stage to receive the title. Renowned TV3 journalist Portia Solomon emerged as a 2021 to her photos near the Iguana. She also won news production for TV3 with a feature Beggars, which aired on TV3 journalists, media journalist TV3. She also adjudged the Health Journalist of the Year with a feature Health for Wealth. Wow, Kwame.
Yeah, Health for Wealth na ajam Kameka no a. Na mse brofo na go ba na emu dusa na ma to mbo ase. Sa program no ye no kre na ne dia banti na me di yesu eye ntwamfa ho. Ma me bi so wo ba bi na ofi no city. Ono so bibi odi bibi kai ono so ya de aha ono so ya de papa de say Porsche ya Porsche de na banti no ye mo Porsche abaso ne dwuma so na wodi te na medical aka no mema ne tim nko ye ne de wakwakoye obai na ne tim akwakoye ne de wo hwe Health for Wealth oye no a oye dwuma de nkura wie na eye ya onya wokwa wonhwe wokwa otimi di wakira kohwe se ahotone ahoden betumi agina nanso e de ama nti na no wasi odwuma si wabom no be kire wado adwuma a waye no esomfa so na wonye na aja me bi se wasi wunya ne sa no a gije ne wuwini a ye ma o edan ne ade ye ne kure
we need to follow up and check. Yeah, we need regional best in terms of national. It wasn't for us. That year it was Badadavle who won the Journalist of the Year, and we also won Radio Station of the entire Eastern region.
Oh, ni ade na ye ma sika kakra.
Debbie, yeah, America.
Minister award me na ya na mentiasi o. Ade ni nyina nse sanka bia se ne Porsche nya obenya miensa mienu a. Ma le ba ko sika mo de ama no. Tinka na mo de ama no. Na de nyina timi kama yeah na ayi dano so e won se we de nisu na dano what say asofo no yes ye fasting aja what ye
say Pentecost for yom the we no and praise before them the number
yeah
and methods from most medical bia na
and bishop ba kofi Cape Coast Diocese ono oba okuka first time te okuka 40th anniversary ono be preach here nkoma me die kura je se so ni faso kura se ebe ye so ni faso bia ade na me dem bisa se ade na o man kwa site ho ankwa fast ne wanka fast bia ge ye ni yuram se Yesu Kristo kwa ya akomche no okọ be posu ko bompa wankwa so dem na so dem si Jerusalem ba Yesu anko ho enti ka kom ko site ho karam se site ho na kom ko fast kom
am say Ghana economy no and o kan ayi president for dinner say wa ha na o ma ye
na moji correction nya wi moji correction nya wi na se economy asori wo muntu tight so be Ghana wo muntu tight moji correction nya wi a na mo say economy ni nko wi waji correction waji tight waji sombi waji kofi ni ama ni nyina chi no wo se muntu tight mo man no enya sika na fe wo se wo fasting na economy na chi na atumi agina na so that's the way dey ja o ka cha bofra kro won ti ase
I mean na say or said to all congregations pastoral declaration 3 days of fasting and prayer. Na grofa kasa di we bias kakra sigana for bone ben tie yeah, I quote, if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves Ghana for me and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sins or their body and will heal their land. Na masiso Second Chronicles 7:14. Amen. And I say, as you are aware, most economists around the world are facing economic difficulties. Also, in Unyes Kasamafo. And
yeah.
And we and
MPP.
And Ghana is not an exception. We know it. However, we remain hopeful that the Lord will step in and put an end to those difficulties. And say Subaya, in the light of this, the moderator of the General Assembly, with the support of the General Assembly Council, has declared a 3-day fasting and prayer from 28th to 30th November 2022 to fervently intercede for the well-being of Ghana. We encourage our congregation to set aside these days to pray for the nation. All ministers and catechists in charge are requested to lead this session. Thank you. Reverend Dr. Godwin Ninoi Odonko, Clerk of the General Assembly.
Yeah, the question that I'm catching.
I'm going to Ghana for you.
Minimum money a Ghana, yeah.
I can't want to be.
You be idea.
Never we know. We don't have to come in. Kwabi.
One I go you an idea. Yankobo was here, Ghana Funya, and Gobo was here.
And the says so Ghanaians have wicked ways, and have sinned. So we need the face of God to turn the economy around. When the Bible is so blunt on the happenings in the last days, that's all for him. So can say, "Emily Kwewe, yeah, I'm for fast. I don't want to say Munya Butre, Monsamuniama, Buto Brutre Munia Diateso, no more coiny adeno. I don't know your better ways near Didier. Wicked ways, and I saw them one hour. I don't know, because they didn't win our water. We'll be told Moki about Cobacha, Mema, sorry, do Methodist 250 answer. It's only paper, sorry, no 100. Man, I wicked ways, you know. Now, no, Crofeba, I say no, those I will as of my bre, there be a cassette, we are beauty say. Salem Suya. As for my name, my idea. Man, when you be mom said, we should be as a Bako. We had the Mudimaya, Yadomasi, a cab by a bay collection video. Then you can say, it's as than we are. After a Bobby Nearbono. In aid of church, but only the NMC church building 8. 10 years, oh, dear, yes, we are. There be a year for it, and it's Canadian. I don't Methodist University. One would see you able to Sika brands yintu amena mkacho me offer ahima one odi adukrom de nanim kan or say so Ghanaians have wicked ways and have sinned, so we need the face of God to turn the economy around. When the Bible is so blunt on the happenings in the last days, when we have misapplied and misappropriated and misapplied our resources, witness opulence in its highest nature, corruption and wickedness set among ourselves, and we say God. Yeah, no, yeah, into DNA name of Fonfa, a Casamani idea, yes, dream, yes, Catasi, and the other I am saying, almost going fasting, Uber, Yatisca, a kind of session, leaders meeting, also for Beto Milamano. Na ya to buruka krade amanu na imagine look at it mama ko yedi nyina no wano we are now go fie wano we are now go fie osofo una odi asafo nanim de yeni se enye ejo rejection no na mom we de me de me pass me matter de yesu ni e ban na wo se sa anu no emre dane dane ho bi enye fast ne pa bu koke opani no krom ni say so bit ba big Bank of Ghana ba no kita dollar no afre the boy ba je obi pa to man na enya. That's what you tell them in the church. When you come to any Bible, same. When you come, you say you're born per my West Indies, you're born per my Ghana. No, say 1 point. Say, everybody say, President Nigeria. President Nigeria. Ebu American. Yeah. They say you're born per my Ghana for what? I'm not almost Nigeria. I'm not most of Anna. And I'm fine. Everybody saying, say, Radin Tutu film now for. Control na mankani mashe obio na nsuo ntongu so na V8 yeah because what na petrol na ebebu na V8 osofo V8 no ye gina ye nu ja no na etisu tu papa osofo we dey and Pentecost for Eddie Klebi I mean say ye pompe na galam ni pa ye omnyina free asafo ahoro mo yeah unim debe me kan se mi se ye se adwuma ni ho hwe yutufu egu aso dem ye je musika oni adwuma ye wasen aba asore ya je ni sika omo mbo instrument wa asore omo ye yutufu bisa ho se ye ti omo ka hia na shirt na show me yet to omo next on uniform no mo di you say me see the church has filled the people. Me see the most confused religion in the world. The most confused religion. The church has filled the people. Aja unim minimum Islamophobia. Omo ye kramofo. The Islamic country now on film no. Emo musika. No mo de akodi dwa. O just Islam baby omo fi no. Emo musika se munyi sika we. Muntu kwanko oman we so. Munko sua se ne di dwa. Kramofo. Emo musika. So nko di dwa. Akristofo emu ahe. Beautiful ahe. Eni mo musika so nko di dwa. London, Dubai, Accra, London. Emu ahe. Asori ka adwuma kra asari ni bi. Ka na adwuma. Let's say fasting for what? We just can't show them. We just can't show them who we are. Now see we're fasting. Let's day. Let's can be do no review and answer day. So the be at the name near Quaco no cross of Niamianim. No. David. Economy no we and Koyi. But says you fasting pa about the economy there.
Jeniton, Nanya Dane. Then you know, they should come again. Please, yes, sir. As I'm paying for no 1 month sign, and your money, you wait part dear. And now, I was a bomb pie more mine. I say, women's are grow. Empire would there be our independent square. One for topic and go more. Women's are growing, mammy, give Jeff and does in and grow for no. I won't cry every month be a musha our independent square. Million sponsor the bumpire, no bumpire da. One can say a transfer or how much and Yako bumpire. Oh, how much are you telling Yako and Jumo? Yan transfer how much and Yako friend Yame.
Where
What does it? Make us a damn cousin be say. MPP phone we say Ghana phone in our dorm. Because NDC phone was is hard way Emma NC de Vera da. Tomu who say Ghana phone in our dorm. No to chom near man ye. Secretary of Chow, don't just let a young comer and not go for the MPP but you for say your domo. Muntum near ye.
Multi ministry so
yes,
Ghana for one
Muntum near ye.
Osro Ultimate
And I say I am and run your quas sorry. Yeah, moto and run your quas sorry. Yeah, ma.
Yeah, fair motor. I'm a jai Pentecost into Janama Catrewi. What's in a Bapu for near the Aja, Bakuna form company Bonia de Coffee. But we example Pompaya conscience Anna. Modest no, so more Madame requires so ye coffee about Moncosuna, ye coffee a yaba. To I know so, Mamma, so I know Kaizo, as a man to me, as about to me, Mamma Coffee. Into a buy fear free as or buy to me, and me for Madame Recorner, where you know ya Bumuako, Yabanaya, Kokoya, Modern Fuina, Tini. Brudu, come, Mamma catch it. Yeah, oh, yeah. Okay, when first woman to us when I was Mukru, Mammy Jai, my many friend is Boja. Coming once I call for yes, Moja going in. You move, Papa, you move, W. Says, Matters of Munim, and you don't bet to me. When the Cranian Eka. Minimum, I saw a penny be a double shall share long sleeve. What a search, obey him that was in long sleeve in him. Minam catch out. Yeah, you're born for it, and Dr. Inaku, our Guga, 140th anniversary. What's say? You will be your papa. I didn't hear. You discount about your fine way. Near Dana and Quanta. But I read it. Yeniaji, Yeniban, Amayabwa. I'm sure I'm talking for more. Omunya the nipa ego aso dem akọ nipa bimo ya funyana ko kan sample sa ayede de osa come on osa and go for osa keke na me can say fasting you but this time we don't do this. What do I say? Economy omo aso panyi ba ko otukwa kwa buruchire ana kawano mo fo no gada na man ne ma say on fa mecha aso man wo ba no be boutique what be boutique ani womu nyemeke womu ni womu yawe yemba mpaboa ni ade mobile phones mbofra toys ase ni ade also for go by na o say o mumisa shop we mame yes mame ase me see o say mame ase me high 2 years boom na gum e dey boutique ye hwe achi ne hu say na nema ese mfa mecha asore ma no eno no mame bi we achi ya me mondi achi ya wakwa asore ba akwi ne kuru ye ma na he tete Ghana city ene de shey mdafo mu o dey obate yenka obete yenka okwagodi afi yesi won to bibi eme yenka yeduma ne kru na tete Ghana city no kurani ogoyi ahi no de akoto konwa be ye enka yedum eze ni memo ayedin ye ya to for ye kan ubi ene ni memo ayedin wo fa sika kwankwa boa o ma no munya de mo cheche no school se o enye sorry school yetimi ko University of Methodist yenibi University of Presby yenibi training college nursing training India ye matumi ko sese ko bompa say na ye ma no anya school bi akwana say dey aso for manyom na nese omo ye doctorate ni master's degree ni ade omo nya no mo kan kura omo nya no mo kan no kwame je say ayi nifa ya te say eden bi so
nifa senior high
sit down nye we say very dilapidated
yes
dilapidated enti o we say ni edana ye na
mama mo list wo mo akoni fa sa kasa ye kan ebrebi nifa all students bi onya leukemia in the blood na say ye no operation ya beka 2 cedi na ye 100,000 Ghana cedi that's 1 billion nifa fo tumi boabo sika na ma se me no ka say sister ne ho atono
teacher ochemu nyina ayi
yes teacher ayi Lord and Labi Lord and Labi wo mu nyina ye nifa all students ayi lawyer no be pray MP one me je fi ni din
be ku yana
da ba no be pray MP no ne hona bota ekwa no a ayi ne yi fam no omo yi fam no ono so ko nifa Daniel Kenneth DK wo ko nifa na kwa me mpere ekwa nifa ayi I say du town court papa du town court
ayi papa ayi Kisedu kwa
papa Kisedu okonifa mi am ofa skido okonifa ahima lawyer bi wokuma ayi asamanka se fe ne twetwetwe form 5 last badge no o lawyer panyi pa me no ka se hotel okonifa Mavis Ochinimo okonifa amu Emmanuel ekonifa Nicodemus ni nua Nicholas okokware mo hono ma first na mpa bobi ho even daily word minu ka say Nicholas at Canada okonifa aniti we die yesra wo mo wenya by case yesra wo papa wo mra na onfa bibi megu fam obi ayi 100 Ghana Syria nifa teacher chenkura nifa o nyina ana abrante bi wa kropon ha Barcelona 92 national high jumper na friend kwekweku awuze wonso fa nifa kakra eti we die ye be sre papa ebi am abo abaya na aban emamu a yesro ma omumrem ena dano obra kwantu woni so panyi bi kasa wa so for IDSR woni papa IDSR also kasa o nifa o student papa we dey wadaro ma we nya kwam kire ye pa chopi momwa na bebi nifa kwa du no nifa de atete ni papa
I mean say story na ewo metro lens no also said dilapidated Nifa Senior High School cries for help. Also page 4. Now we corner blue be
blue one. Blue one. I say kissing and fear. Kissing reduces blood pressure. And watch it. I say boost immune system, improve self-esteem, burns calories. And in the page 2. Ewo the lens ni metro lens mu enti mu a sebe mukro no mu ebe fem ano na mo twetwe mo kwasi aje tie ya say kissing anofie no it reduces blood pressure, it boosts immune system no, and if it improves self-esteem, and if it burns calories enti no
what the coach you ma make kan say
anofie ema muja mroso ekofam eno achi afi se nkwamo ano wo fam a nkwamo ano ema ne jannas papa ana afi ema wunya ayireshem se me bema se da bia ye kasa manfo nyusu yi e kan say ai Chaco toothpaste no enti uju no na de kisia ohun sisi won so papa eno bo calories na aja ne twi ne be meden kakra calories no so obed mo family no so obed no nefu so so
maybe engrofon getting wrong on ka so obed abusuan for pay no more fruit o man
obed mo system
types no we ko ka say obed abusuan penny akofa ayinsa na so de kwa yinfie any obed no mo
obed mo type no
sanko be ga say obed family entertain him oka the size no
obed abusuan say yewura isantu no say we slim owura santu ye slim but me ka say obed mo size so obed no oso nefu so
that's all ya slim
the nice ono say o kisi a nefu no e be twen kama say osofo dankan wuri amnom osofo dankan wuri amnom o mo kisi a no sa no o mo be twen papa na de nya twen kama nti ye nifa de nifi wono mo a
asofo na nyoma sementimi nkem o yo asofo no so
asofo ba ko say friend taki ya boy also victory ba bro
ba me adiko Canada ha no kra show
aye former Greater Accra NDC chairman
so totia
okay dano last 4 years or so na yakoto aba na chairman na friend Mr. G ana on page an ko so say na warusu Mr. J was in St. One as the chairman J and as the chairman I don't know when you
Karakakra from the year free no
Brown a DC film. Oh share Danu Fiada send a yura a adokoka but na a year TV Akoso not to na may say na name say and you almost who's on Mayana Obefiswa and who say may say Anna and Ashimo na Dino as an familiar to me.
Ashimo can I identify MP?
Aha.
Regions na regions no Dodona Abba and you heard say Ashimo and the Greater Accra Oko Kumasi Ashanti Regional and Akwesi Andrews and Professor Richard Kofiesi do Central Region John Kwajo Japan AOT Regional and Mauto Agbavito
Agbavito yeah Agbavito
and Nana Tuku Western Region they say no so here aka Eastern Region regions nibi but my weekend Eastern Region they are better form and you say be there na yeah they are I mean a year people are they saying let's look at the publisher, Ghanaian publisher. Child rights sues teacher unions over strike. Child rights, you could be a Renkwada and can chronomia deals. And the only teacher for a cocoa said, Muntimi Fankwadano, Abrabo, and to Chacha and want to press her. And here has a benyom near no Macassa. Child right now, Macassa happened to try to be.
Yeah. Now, a wish you have as I said, and Gassa buy more than common in a Kosi court was almost say. Opinion I upon this year, and I buy one coin say anka what powers up na obedi a year education hormone nim and can be now bad there sanka ban a song come in the court but ning them say
teacher unions now and this clear strike just to buttress their point and the interesting times ahead a bit dear where story now or say a child-centered organization, Child Rights International, has dragged 3 teacher unions on strike to the Supreme Court. In a suit filed last Friday, November 11th, 2022, Child Rights is making a case that the strike by the 3 unions is unconstitutional and violation of the right of students to education as enshrined by Articles 25 and 28 of the 1992 Constitution. The suit against the Ghana National Association of Teachers, NATS, the National Association of Graduate Teachers, NAGRAT, the Coalition of Teachers, Concerned Teachers, CCT, and the Attorney General. To see what I can.
Aha, and Americano. So the bank on there, nice, I'm going to check. One Jenna, no question, so be number your back as a friend and go school, Nanyari. Mifia no pay me, but Visa, Kakram, and Nakakamun goes, let's say, and train and Nanaku for the Casa, never go school. Aha, oh, this and Nubisano, a hardware, a hardware, intino, a banjo, na so we shall walk court, and we shall walk home, no maka. Na the year at the 2 year na you say na be corner for Jenna that make how say sa strike we now what you say na pepe e bi kwa ntimi metna we got World Cup e koso teacher ni so say be ono so ye nipa enti ka sa week we no e no me mop up ne ade oh ye be kire ma ade ne man tia se ne ade ne yakọ because World Cup no o classroom manage go eja especially that Ghana or match same for the Ghana or match na ene teacher anya do be hot classroom ho say Ghana o match all do say Ghana match e kwa go be say anya de be yi nso anya de obetena classroom ho Argentina on tena classroom Brazil on tena classroom etinka ne papa mu anka de ne ba ya mpanyifo hu say World Cup bibi activity bo enu say na nkomo hia no makasa na immediately na omaka na nka omotumi resolve asem na etumi akoyanim we World Cup no class mu a me bo activities o ye wie ya ye be makwan ye be exams ye kodi bronya. Yes, and the stretch way at the corner there. I ram of random Sebi, woman shall be Vivia. I had to be Vivia, and you know, I can say, Yamaquan, and this is the next time. And this baby one my bind between in prayer and Manimia at the bois. Amma, a teacher for not who was no more call of strike here. You must say, abandoning penny for one more engine and San Famaye. Now, the Bamakaze, yet, Uber Nima, who send a shifa. Obenmo unze na shifa na mo friend nyina na mfie amotete fie nso ehun sem bebre enti ye bese aban ene mpanyifo se omo nhwe na omo nsi nkonwa na ye nom asundwe abua na de nyantim konkan kra man yes
kwame Saglemi affordable house what you want say
Saglemi de no yes ye be ma ankra na se asam no e court ye wura na ye de ma ye wura panyin ba ko me fidin no ona na asam no court is asam no court ye nwi ade na ye nwi ye na ye pese ye de koma ankra no hwe ade no ze be ankra de na ka ban first kan shimo e ne nane ma sojafo na politifo a doctor for na lawyers on paper bi atena na intimi nko nentem ye besere mpanyin de bia meka ye besere mpanyin ade ne ye obi nyese ye ni bio ye obi ne mo se be wie ne ntem ebe wie ne ntem na de bia me twema mentwe e makorabo one Ghana no a obeka se bia enyema ban na fi ase intimi nko nkoto aso ye de court ye se ye discuss ya shem ye se ye nya sansesan we na dan ne siwo manya footages ahwe eye dan no se ne tebia tie migire se nya sika kakra de siesie no a ye beko ye nim ye de be man krankro no obi aba be ye no nya mfa so boom no de ko na asofo abeka je se Saglemi adan no so zezi ane aye no hanti no ye kwankwa ye fast ne mo mpa ye se be ya Saglemi dan no urade nyankopon man be ne yetimu yi jakra e court
kwame I think say whatever it is abino aye se pese otoma ankra na me so say sika mu hia no me hwe sika story ne ka ho asem na approximately let me see 46 million Ghana cedis is needed for provision of maybe say kania ni so ne gates nomni ade and I'm saying 68 million ne be dan na kasa man kwame say sika about 100 and something way nti ye betam dan na koma
an obi
maybe aban edi ni sika shema dru na enu twemu a ye sika be ba ne de akoshe ada housing project aban ne yedimu na che say and this started way nti anase de
yeah
two nti ye sika cathedral anani ye sika bi na ofrata ho nsem ni kan na ye nya sika nko edawe ho ai beti me ni kakakakra $3 billion ba yentimi nya be 120 nko Saglemi ko wie ni enton anya dan so e free o ye wi aton anya sika free
enti ye de be man kwa kwese ne o ka no
enya da papa
ye de be ma obi na ye wi a ya se be frɛ ho fasting ye
kame asofo no hunu we do mu
enti o man no de o ko kan na ade no ka bebre a na ye se wotan eye a government of the day o mpa ba na sem na on pese o ma ye hwa ni akom bia ade no ye de ye wura ba ko bia gina court me na fi ni din e kakra ye na gina court ye hwe se e bia skabu ba bia e just fabra na enfanto aso ana se betu enya ne ko ye nim so what I say no ye de me obi na o ye ni yie na o je hu sika adi what I say
kwa me twa homra
Akropon Kapim Okuma Radio 97.1 Station Radio Man Kenya Okuma Radio 97.1 Hey
yapo mabaso ni ejuma pa mo eri aboa o man Ghana eni ejuma nyina yake nya ko bon shira ejuma pa mo ni so no o ma mo den eni akuru mo be ti ejina no eri aboa o man Ghana
Station Radio Man Kenya Okuma Radio 97.1 Hey
Say can so the phone to yasiwa sana bon friend ya be sia o mrafo simi for night Oma kampu record wetro. Ti madafo no mamu ni are wada. Na janu abeta wako fema body ma solo. Fiso ya wo present nu. This na ne dance with you. Enu ti amani ami ya bebre sami say ni na.
Okuma Radio.
Janu adi ni na bebe. Anya mi po.
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio.
Miss Roya, me brother, me chewo. Inti me strata we are Sidambe. And not down from a Satriano prayer. Kiss you to Mama from Raja Fay. I am on Tommy say, a Jammy, I'm one to the man. And I'm a woman, young Pondino. Miss Yadon, I don't know why. The fraud don't go. So let's go to drive for
Okuma Radio.
Yo, me just go back to my pa. Uboma captain not. Na me sure be to my pa.
Okuma Radio.
From Abaso, near Jumapa, or area of mine Ghana, any of your Pamai, Yakati, Yakupon shop, Jumapa, or Mama, any of Etinano, Eliapua, or my Ghana.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio. Yes, baby.
Medium is still in Papa New Yasi, and tell us if we trying about sour sea. Judgment, I answer. The one of my son was in Passia. If you are young, oh, social. When you are a fan to go, and you are see the fan. Mamma, a fan of Mamma Biao. I am a Bama Kana since Temu. The Sia coming in young Popon. A German many wants to see the wife or my town for bed or soon. I am a poor
my radio.
Alright, so Pastor Solomon for Suwari causes one open your hall. And ye me pay you when you coupon una ope and your and another way say of my soul sends this one. Good morning, KB. You men are doing a great job for Kwapman. God bless you. God bless you too. Kwame.
Yeah.
Yanya TSS will be a movie that I do chrome quality.
No, no, yeah, I say water was all call as na ye tutu homa se ni assemblyman betimi adwon se omo ne pepere so omo je ne ka nti omo je ka no eno omo ne hwe bon nim mo se kwan so ye ne foforo nti abo ne anwea no de bibiri ho no mo omo ne hwe ye bon nim ho no mo se watu anana no e won se nti nti na ye nya ne chese commander awadu krom ene ne mrante no aba abetam emu no e de cost ba bi omo de ko de ye nya fe na ye hwe se producer se msabe ka assemblyman ankasa na fe wama aboyemu eye enchiremu na jano kwasem wo mun se dano na wotwe etwemu na me di dwumadi bi em se edu anadwo a ye mpotemu ha sumu ha bebre ofafi eye manfe late junction na ko manfe eye assemblies the apostolic church hodum na hoye sumtum to we die wu a straight ana ofa ya ase okwan so a ase we sane ko ase som ho na ade ne so a ene so no sumtum enti obi di bone wo ho no mo a straight ahead no okọ enti ye besre se be bi ese dey light eto enfanto na fe security checkpost o aja wona mo a metumi aka se utuka asesi ase okọ eye so menya security checkpoint bi okwan ne so bibia se nyumro se anopo ebia kwan no mo ye ne nso nti de a ohu bi wo ho no mo ko enka ne nke bi wo ho no mo bebre ba se tia no omotutu yetutu ni nyina eji sabre de onamu na okwa se wudie bi na eba eno ase eba sa ti ebe sere banyini omo nhwe na security checkpoint no omo yeye ba bi kura betu ya na ebia police for na ade be gina no omo ngu kota no ho se na bia tutu no nkoka omo na nko omo ntena ho no mo omo gu 100 meters mo omo a enim 100 achi 100 a se bia tutu no enka omo na nko maboban no e de mai sabre de ma fa kwa ne so just last week me fa so twice if I pray there so twice na me fa ya se ha no ma se so dem ba bia ewudi na koso me fa so empre no na ma fa latte enso one so empre no o checkpoint bia ho especially aja ti say ha no yetro ha no sa no ubom usane fi patmos na wokọ lata bonu makofa bia ha gigi e wonu ho na se obi di obi ewu straight o ana ya ha no so sa obi di ewu usane adukro people na wokọ a sa ya na adwuna obi di ewu a security checkpoint bia ni wonti be di ewu na wie ansana ya tonsa frese bibi koso ana e pray de no ba bi o musi ye na se accident sisi na o musi ye na ho de aja se obi di obi ewu se okuni pari yo na oto nwura ni mu eno an ye hu no kra because the closest point se si ano Ilo Krobo hospital no how na won se nipa okakra because kwa manti won nipa ho de but hu omo nti ade sana obi di obi ewu ho no mu a fala te besere mpanyini omo nkeka ne man sisi ani na ne man tuminya na so na awudi yakoburo nya yi de ende ya nipa betu kwan yakoto ade ma me bekọ kwan so ene ade e ba ne so obi akra fi me kwabo oja ne ma oja oyire oja abusua ebi kwan po a ono o ma abusua aduane die ono koba na abusua ne gina na so afi yakote ya okoya wansan ya ma ade ya yakuno yebesre na empanyini mfa ne mangu kwam na security da no se woni DC kasae se security te se no boya ogia no ba se o bibia da ne kwam so unfortunate se na otwekura mae na sade ya timi akoso e won pesua no so wonti yebesre empanyini omom ho so na yemfa ne manyina tutu yakra manu ato
kwawe ebebo hwi na yahwe na work up hu nsem no yedi mu komo kakra
yeah
enti yene producers and presenters of the sports department ebishia na yabo mu komo kakra sanse yanko Dubai yanko
Qatar ya
yene abedu awie na amanfo hunu nema hodo a ediegu akwam yo
so me Qatar no me ko say Ghana ni but obi ani say me no eya mama bonfu me support South Korea ba group na Ghana wo mu de mo South Korea na no kwase ma wo mu ene se niema nketenkete bi ase edigu akwan mu na ansa yatumi akono Ghana fo kwa mu ye ene kura ya te se prayers be se miensa kura pira but erika se wiase nyina ko ball wiase nyina wo mu enim ball no na Ghana eka ho na ye ko bi enti ye ne bone so ema nika aba ema anije so aba migidi se wo mu a eye travel and tour ni ade sabri na omo so no omunyo musika ene ade enti no eye se Ghana betumi akọ na yakoko di sa adwuma no na ati oman no anim what stage enti ko gina wono ma e be kire yen se oman bi wono kura ye friend Ghana ko bi wo kura wonti ye dinda wonim yen ha enti yen so ye koyi no na se etumi abo na de nyina etumi akonkan ete ama yen enti no sports ye betwen wo mo ba ne ye kone bada ye hyase ne ade nyina na de nyina etumi akonkan ede ama ye media mo Ghana mum Ghana kono e manije e manika na mum sene amanfo ka no bring back the love me love no ense da mai love for Ngumrasta no ense da mai o hwe sene ne ma etoto kono anopa kwa ate se players no se miense on sade epra goalkeepers no miense on sade epra amino ka se ya tonsa afre kotoko om goalkeeper dan lad se womra na tizigi ena goalkeepers bi so momra enti ye behwe ne sports for so de bebre na de nyina tumi akonkan ede ama ye enti sports for no ba na de nyina tumi akonkan de ama ye
I mean you know baby Aja
for real
what in this story
yes say planting almost say almost maame no kɔsoro dodo nti empe bibi emfa hwia na nam aha nti kwan ba fa so a ɔmehwia na nam ne sɛ ade no yɛse yɛakye no ɛwɔ ho na kye no nso so a amanfo ntimi enche mu bebre sɛ yɛkye no ha yɛkye no ha na brante ba ko akasa a very young man bi ɔne ne yɛ adwuma matie ne kasa no pɛi sɛ no kwasɛm ɔno de osusu sɛ nipa bebre ɔne ɔmo yɛ adwuma na ɔmo hwɛ sɛ ne a maame no wo tu kɔsoro ntɛntɛm no a ɛna ho ahi ne ho yaw ɔmo de ɛyɛ ne saa
atoko ame ɛyɛ America for ne UK for boom ɔmo Interpol International Police on behalf in terms of we are yet to yene what they saying questionist weekend the most no kasa one station back so organizers of the Ghana Music Award
UK no yeah
and a programmer me invitation me be bayana me prepare na me also there na me twetwe so enti
we are UK na also twetwe so
be a lot dia no mo ne me cruise go ho ne ade no ti you better try some questionist but in the meantime no chese on kono nya fact no
so no muka
enia
so munya hwe
say chiro mache no na omde be ko US into him when she's going into and they are also trying to relocate where she's been held near the
yes this is gonna be $8 million you say
then it's about time obinya sama ho ya ni sane ma no e kira ho ya no bi anya sam no bi jubilate no bi ani no bi ju but whatever it is yes indeed BBSC yenyanya muntie crofostati di ho
obi ani say ana ka say na brand ne kasa na metie no o se woni nipa no bi na e wo sam pempen so na o mu di say adwuma no ano enti ebia mepe na me ne donzi na pre na menya na donzi enya ho yawo enti ne competitors no ha say kan ye kasa de ne ko ye ne ko enya correct ye kan say ye be ka we ye be kombe ye be sia ne say wo ye koke wo ye drugs
whatever it is yamma omono so bo court to cross a person is not pronounced guilty until a court of law does so enti e wo se jana no so bom de bonu bi akwanya so otimi a defending ho near any be free maba ye kan ye say adwen oh baba you are what would the girl be going through enti nya portray na the rule of law intimi and taking a course near
yo enti no se na madika aka no oman no nipa bebre peja na sebe ye hwe omo na ase ne ade ye de sa chichiro man ya enye ye na me kan se bi ese se adukrom de no ensem no ono brobri yeah
Mami ko hama yesu na mini nkomo honorable anapoti enka emuachi
mejo ye jaw
your honorable Obri eye assembly member edema adukrom enyati ese amubi edampotem ho na ommo emu amane honorable be mu amane kakra
mi tio bibia ene anopei anopei ya sorry ye na yante asamude ni se anopei sorry around be 7:30 no na driver ni bi anase driver for nam so me akwan so oba konto nkra se we hunu se wa te se yesi ekum obi wo kwan ne so ato nti enyi se ye rush ne ekwa akose enti me ye ntem efa boys ni bi kan ye ho e don track mu ekoi no question say they do ho na enti ya mete ye na ya mpa se ye kum obi ato wo sen se unim kwan so dia udu usani do waterways wo sen waterways ne kakra bi a bridge bi wo ho no ma construction for no and as one no ye car kwan no ye e wa asese so kwan ne so no wo sen bridge ne so kakra bi a on your right side no na ho no na nipa no omo ekum na omo do na to gated ba no question say me do ho no na police for e wo ho edukrom police ho no ma na commander ankasa ho any the team enti to be frank ombo modern efeja imunu free gated in baby omo de nato no na omo de ne share kutukum sene ya police for no enti omo wi no de no to ke no bisai mu bia say ni mu na ebetumi identify na but unfortunately no onyo bia o free ye hunu na ni no onyo bia ye nim no wo
yɛmpɔtɛ mu ha ato sɛ ɛdukrom ha nom anasɛ yi enti ɔmo de mu no to mu ma ɔmo de kɔ police station ato aso de akɔ baabi ɛsɛ ɔmo de kɔ na ubisa ma na nea ɛsi wɔ ɛdukrom ɛna yɛate mu ane mahu
na ohwɛ a ɔnyɛ obi a ofiri mpɔtam ha
hwɛ ɔnyɛ obi a ofiri mpɔtam ha na nea mehunu yɛ wɔ ne ho no sɛ ɔbɛyɛ ɔdriver ni ɛfiri sɛ ɛhɔnom no na desta a yɛyusu wɔ kaa mu ne pilo a yɛtena so ato sɛ car seat ne pilo ebi ɛwɔ hɔnom nneɛma a ɛwɔ hɔnom kyerɛ obi a ɔyɛ firikafoɔ ne ehunu kaa nso sɛ kaa etwa ne ho ana ne nan ɛwɔ asase no so wɔ hɔnom sɛ ehu sɛ hɔ ɔmo ngu kootu a de nti ɛyɛ mfoturo nti ehu bibi sa ti sign ɛkyerɛ nyinaa wɔ hɔnom ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ɔdriver ni.
To we are omagye ne car na so mo kun bebrɛ mo begya na to ha. Ora bo gyina yie na ola na twetwe si gyina yie man. Ola ne mo wa gyina yie kasa ne hwe.
Hello, what you think?
Afi de dem.
Okay. No cry ne say me ntimi enka say omagye ne car o say because nipa ne ekoto no na wawu a say oda ho no ma na butu nti untimi nka ho but ne ayehu ye ne say or brushes bebre won ni nipa dua ne ho na nimu ne
bruises right
yeah you bebre wo na yi ni nipa dua ne ho ne nim ne mama so ne ti ne nsa ho nti hu say asa obi a ya bono pa ya hwe no ma wa fem ewu
Honorable, you be there actually, you be there see anopai.
Oh, accident ho. Mo ntini e wo ho. Enso ye da ma se mo timi afre enso ye timi achehwem. Nti ye be ka se ko bro nya wu no, ye be sro bibia se ahwe yiye ene wu. Na ye nyina nyame de ye twa e bro nya no. Ye da ma se enso ni mo adwuma pa nso amoy okoman. Na mi hram.
Ye da see anopai. Honorable Obri Kwame.
Yeah. Methodist electoral area. Honorable Obri Edwumason Obon. Eja medical kan bro nya no eba. Bro nya na eba saa no. Omo ekokwan so ne ade nyina no. Omo nhwe omo ani na ho. Na daba fo no so be sere omo so omo ani na ho. Na mum ye be sere mpanyini. Enso omo so ye dan omo ye papa no police fo ne soldier fo ne ade mo to ban ma ye no. Ye pa mo chaware du anwumra. Me say aya police for no petrol ni ade me nkan bebrebe bia petrol no wo na atwam ba ko mienu miensa na o mo jai dabi ese mo ba ma ade chi say o mo na boy ho ban e de mayen ha na yenso ye mo ho de say wajido committees ni ade no ye betititi bi na yenso ya de gina na yempotem na de agbo yankasa nso ye ho ban enti ye besre yemiru nya ka bo mo betumi awen amade nyina atime konkan na ye ma onipa kro na busuafo nyina ya akom yiri se police force aka mu ne de enche bia na busuafo so sa ebeka ye ja kakra meka no
Kan fam ni sorry so
yeah ayo de fam no pay no ana ye ko eye okuma ya kuma ye hanum ya ana ye de fam nyame ya adoma 2022 World Cup yi baso no okuma de kro enso chipo ba ko yeso ye nyeja ye ho kra commentary ene anopa de awia de anwumre ene kwame de ne mranti ene bejam kama na de nyina tumi akonkan enumu ene yese peti asase wo ye na okwa ena ba ko fo so ne nsa so nyame ani kata ene na momre momeka ye ho mo amoton ade empanyini obi amra emeka ye ho na eja ye nie World Cup no emfa emom anti wo pap be eton ade eton amanfo no monsane ade video centers no obetumi aba oba woni mpanya ba yenhye na ye de fidie na ba ho abero no comment mu ye den kama ade amana se wonso wani aje ho papa ne na Ghana players play nyina kwa me de ba cheche wara kwatu yes wanya anko ni nyina na e de machines ne ba ye be chimo ho no ade ama fe predict and win as be ba so predict and win everybody so enti ubetumi aka say South Korea ni aye die dia e be she Ghana na je say okuma for so achewade and say entama na de be chewo empabo de be chewo na de achewo kama enti matches ni nyina predict and win everybody so na mo wo pop we be a ton sana opese ye ba waso ye ho ne bra no comment na betumi friend panyini na panyini aba na ja etimi abedi djuma na ma aye bobo no ya de nyina no monkra no yate emu ahedin papa na de nyina etimi akonkan aniti okoman World Cup comment no ye be fi bia de abramu obi amra na yene ni sa adwa no na de nyina etimi nko enkan se mrante na transe me ba ko wetwum etimi akoya nem Blessing and Greatness Ventures and aja omo boy na de nyina etimi akonkan nkane ura brante dem ane bob no blue sa bob blue no omo so ja e na obeshit no Chelsea de no kura no e be increase no yellow na una si fi kura de ko jina wonu ma na ye kama eno na Blessing and Greatness ono o madam mu ye fe asaso ye fe bibia kama na oba o paint the paint dem medical can say paint tuntum ye fan paint dem adamu am ko fan paint tuntum fan paint etu kwa obecho paint or be paint dem acrylic washable paint kama fi nsio na de krade pop ni nyina no obi ho no bathroom accessories enkane ene idware wia na sapo no ya promo properly ya shepherd bag mu ene de odware wia na odi ahata o dem ho kama adware ho na efefefe afi security doors unware emobi mbebisa se oda no watum utum se atwere gise wawa bie fefefe na kwa nkade ma tiling chemical tiling cement ne ho aka ne nyina no kwa obenya bi e waso ho womutu amanti asman abutachi wamone gas filling station no na bonche mu bibia ni abotumi afre 0244 50 73 10 0244 50 73 10 and after 0206 670 009 Blessing and Greatness Ventures was at the and a ton na ho da no kwase age ekan ban ugojina se na enkoyi a wo sakura ntimi entito so na ban ne dia wo mo enim papa fe no maba Adom live band ALB wo mo pop dan mi kwehia wo mo na kwa ba ko digital ase ne ho timi bo na page guitar no atna pampam no yi style kan go for ya de say aye ho ban bass ya entuntem band boko first spin dia omutimi kura de to play don't see most time bi no omukọ abusu panyi be fra afi na obeba band de fan to play omo agina ho no mo omo bo amachi de rumba kidi fefefe band no ane Adom live band adon engagement wedding ne party bon kama de ma enkrobata ne yemensa temade ba ko enkrande ba ko na kropon kwapem yesusu ye de e ba ko ba bia obi offer number ya o ma beboa 0242 267 538 0242 267 538 Adom live band yesi bonia edema JDK Adom Enterprise so basi die dan yewra ke because me dawa na me kai wo me dayim na me sire kwa se na me kai se yewra ke bi na kai wasi akwa bia na wo fade dan eche no wasi go fi me dan we chao afia ka se dan eche no kro bia na kwa ni ja ho no osu obi eche ne dan no ye se tears of joy wasi dan man si ni ye Oma cement yanko dan mu kra eti we dey cement ni be kom and also be call JDK Adom Enterprise cement iron rods and adwa iron and galvanized pipe afia no achi square pipes round pipe angle pipe flat bar rods ahodo nyina 58 quarter rod na full rod ni nyina kwa obenya bi e omo ahye ho no mo na de nyatimi akonka umutu amanti asman Mampon, hono mbutu, tete kwashi Memorial Hospital ni mwa ana mbutu durable and affordable any one trademark and one hallmark and one no na ufrem penyi for ambaje oso no mapo 0244 425 955 and afi 0244 857 874 JDK Adom Enterprise was say adepa and ton eye ne ho jera yeto so na so ambe yinansa okay and na yeto so Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited. Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited. As I said, Obio Yasibi and Jessica. As Obio Yasibia no, ɛsɛ onye sika Lumba sɛ sika ɛno ane bɛma ɛna ne amachi dede Lumba sɛ sika ebi nye fi ukoto afa bi na yɔde hyɛ na nti unye sika bosia na de ahyɛ ɛyɛ wadwuma mu ɛsɛ yɛ school sɛ yɛ dan ɛna wosie na unye sika no kwa ometuma ma obi na de nyina tuma konkan na onye ne Dr. Bawumia mejezo ohia Ghana card ya wawie wɔn bɛ bɔ bosia yi pa na odi bi atre wadwuma mu na de nyina tuma konkan ɛde amount hwɛ wɔn ne Ghana aban Ghana bank no ɛna di ɛza so nti krokro da dwon bi anim wɔn nwia wɔn mfa sika wɔn ada na frem panyini no pese ma obosia na fa ye wadwuma no what you say wanye ye 2022 dia wa na wa ye 0302 200 390 0302 200 390 and afi 0596 920 833 Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited or say lending made simple after you be here say apose kama ne aba amandwa so Kojak Oracle and Procode ha okwa mo aso ho no mo a ende oso se otu ne Yesu asendua otu ne parara otu ne street fefefe obenya bi na wo mo de bidie na edi nnura soso mu a enka ne ye maame no mu bidia na mo de twi ese kama se wonya ho a mebu mu na wo gina ho din na edi atwi se de ama na de ye de nnura fefe mu a amaba be Kojak charcoal toothpaste na wo mo de brush so aka ho brush no free water toothpaste na brush na de ahye mo wayi wo de twi se na wo twi se ni ye obenya benefit kama ne ana mo je se kissing kra no o kisi a ema ya smart e do twi se na ko kisi da se wawie kra wo dem twi na o si achi nam no aye den o se bible kra ka se obi bo waso benkum a na odan ni fa na ma no na obo ni fa so odan benkum na se o si ati enye de na e bo benkum na o si nyina bititu na wonya Kojak ne de na otwitwi a ni nyina be de se ye bo ha bibia entu ugina mu na akọ wanim otwitwi wi a now the sensitive man bath no e de ahoro wanum kama wona akọ wanim no eno achi omo Procode eno no se oti na ye wo ya e bo se dwen etibi bo no wani right e finsuo na ba kuso aye ko dabi mema na nyesa onomo a ti ne se na ye bo nya no e betu agya na de nya tumi akonkan e de ama drug store so eton e no mu nyina no Procode obenya bi hono na chiri no Kojak charcoal toothpaste ne so no nkrofo ye ohai wamu obi afi bia eton ne ma nyina no kwa obenya bi hono na dodo no de agisa mko Koja Farmer wo ye Okanshi drug lane Koja Farmer Okanshi drug lane ho ana bonya dodo Koja Farmer osi apomuden faraba anopa ye wie ni de na ye beko choba ni apanyi eno an restaurant Regional Hotel ana meka ede amao Regional Hotel and they say waware awie na ope baabi na aja wo de wo yire ne wo ma akọ na akọ ye bibia eno an se wo beko restaurant ho no hotel ho na de nyina tumi akonkan e de amount hwe executive rooms, twin rooms, deluxe rooms, standard rooms, economy rooms, swimming pool de nye room mesemo ada na swimming pool ne de ne kwasem ne se udware ho no putu pata wi no pa na anwumre pese ho ya wo de fefefe na che se ade nyina tumi abo no achi no aduane a ye die wo hotel se amia ha adwen papa na Regional Hotel wo mu nuane de fe be na de nyina tumi akonkan e de amount hwe me kanfo e de ma se why we de awie opu baby akoye honeymoon eno ane Regional Hotel wo mu odukro makuapem wo mu ne okre enka ne district assembly no ene di enumhwe from no betumi aboa 0244 33 73 0244 33 73 and afi 0503 33 77 88 Regional Hotel was a home with nature and pay and anka boy yedimu esi na emrante so crowd e say betumi akodu kata honoma does it
Akuma Radio 97.1 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Yapo mabaso ni Jumafa o area boa o mine Ghana any of my thing na yake
Prince wa ofe o mi se wa ginia sipini se bronie mi dai Prince wa mi dai o mi se wa ginia sipini se bronie so mi go ya go
Akuma
Bibini Sembronie. Ah, me die. Remember, me die. Bobby Sawaginia. Bibini Sembronie. Sorry, me Kodiago.
Station Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1. Hey.
Yako idea yempesisie. Found on you now, Mammy Kwan. Be no better. Go see I won't fret to myself. Yako idea yempelada. Found on you now, Mammy Kwan. Be no better.
On Common Radio.
Go see I me die, me nada, Miss you Peter when in England. Maybe I don't want to be grown. Me don't encourage a match. Nani a bandage. Prepare to have
on Common Radio.
About Queen Monsieur. I was sending out to them, you. See me and slow. Prepare to have faith. Bobby said, what can you? Bibini Sembronie. Ah, me doing. I feel it to our pain. Bobby said, what can you? Bibini Sembronie. So I'm your Kodiago.
On Common Radio 97.1.
Yeah, for my boss, when you do my part, oh, yeah.
Bobby said, what can you? Bibini Sembronie. Ah, me doing. Bobby said, what can you? Bibini Sembronie. Sorry, me Kodiago.
All right, so just about 40 minutes to each of the hour 10. And it's a Monday morning. Nana George Darko made in a crouton. This is an Akwapi music. Prince Kwame.
Yeah. You know, George Darko, the Medican can say high life in there. No question. I say, you're born a basso, say, Ubia and your crest or come it me organize now. You're born a basso. Minimum awards to do that when you're a tomb, but it's a bomodiana, your money be kakra.
You know, interview beer.
Aha.
You're pending, Evena. Enemy, I can't.
Bakubi, I am the pie. You are my lucky star, oh, lucky star, baby, bro, or do it. My boss, I don't know, come and tampe, or mammy 50 Ghana, Dano. I'm George Darko, dear, Massa, and you, dear, oh,
very nice song. Name de from Akoti Brofo, and then you Mahura Wayano. He speaks love. Then you mean I, although any crash, you may say, Utia. So me Kodiago Bakuye Musuo pa kan wasem nyina kire me sre me enko to tie lyrics no so wo ba cross na cross so say de tie
frequency am do Bakuye Musuo kan wasem nyina kire me sre me ento frequency am Bobby said, what can you? Bibini Sembronie. Ah, me doing. I feel it to our pain.
I say young Rona Yen straight sanse Bakuye Musuo Prince Siwa Mido Arabay ye chain penny for Kuku dem be big afro and you rasantu Arabay Muti and ka Srenia ko Prince Siwa.
Kwasi da so be share ohene na kra hene mi chia no hey Darko what will do papa mo ha
I want to watch your own
mi chia no pay also about sorry we kugwa Methodist ai oba ane nana hene mi chia no pay
machiri ba nisu a also ni party na wasi a pay I just read me on tete uti we win mo tete also anyway odo na ye anyway Arapay o share yanko kata jumadi DSC ni so in the coming days bibia koye sports World Cup cost kata interment na krado ke kan ma mienu bi asiani internet me di nkomo ne pound na yakwa koyenim
on Common Radio.
You know what it is. Higher.
no signature song any de be adwuma minimum no boy kwa minimum no to me
on dawson
no mo to ye
on dawson I said the video Ghana ni bi ankobi
kwa me ye misas Ghana ni ko bi na Ghana ope Ghana o Ghana aboso do hwan anim so
oh ba ko bi we don't figure got to find one be can be
to one na wo kai
I don't see come
hwan na wo kai
because Davido Nigeria
no festival kwa me machi
chairman Josu ana
empo me today
yakopon adom bi kama
e man so achi okuman yen kokata dwumadie no ye wa hanso ye kokata 6 days more na ye misa se ahobabe
jamo nedi kama inchi a okuman etiefo ene ahwefo a watching live on Facebook na anope ye na wasesa brain adonya no okuman kasa wonso wonya bre na oti na wonso otu ho anamo jamo ye kokata na yenya enim se Oman Qatar the hosting rights in about 4 years ago Russia hosting that was the time once we had the hosting rights na yenya enim say 2022 you were Qatar na fin so no yet me enjoy the biggest football competition and also no we are no I know that's the FIFA World Cup into no and painful yan shema qualifiers ahoro nyina etumi so from Europe, Africa, South America, Samson Central America, North America, and Australia and Potem warning no qualifies it to me so now after the qualifiers no painful to me select in about 32 countries and then the official number of countries once will participate in the FIFA World Cup in 32 countries and then they wanted to me qualify to the World Cup a break mono and painful draw from group A to group H and also painful to me draw group Biano there were 4 countries and a womb over Africa countries to me qualify no 5 enum 5 countries that's Senegal, Cameroon, Morocco, Tunisia, and Afghanistan, Ghana. We need 5 countries once on Wofi Africa, what we qualify. Oko PM South America, and also no countries Mako 8, and then also 8 for Europe, and so no in about 16 countries if Europe, and Afghanistan, Asia also no ebinso if you about Wonyana Kabuma in about 32 countries will participate. Chamo interesting thing about this year FIFA World Cup nimuno. Say Sika Yadiura World Cup ebin sida since the establishment or the introduction of FIFA World Cup from 1934 Bepemeneno Qatar World Cup winner the most expensive FIFA World Cup ever yet to me abo ayi Sika Euremu ye over $200 billion $200 billion and Qatar so to me the room in terms of facilities and I feel so the tournament as a whole and then Sika Qatar and so to me the room winner no and so ebenya $42 million and then Sika that's why the previous tournaments and winner no it may take over $34 million but this time around no winner no enya over $42 million and also no Sika a room group stage biano wo Sika wadebema country bia until group stage Sika wo wenya kra no benya a little over $8 million team bia wo group stage no unya a little over $8 million so now qualify to the round of 16 and also no benya a little over $9 million udu quarter finals and also wo Sika wadebema the semi finals and the grand finale who are be winning when you $42 million plus group stage Sika when you another stage bia udu and also Sika ewo ho ni ameni mi say me yusu Ghana na ye de
ye mess ke be the start organization ya de ana
yes your preparation fee and yes o qualify we are Sika what man na de ahomboa no
friendly no ni ade
$15 million
Ghana ya Sika
Sika na ba minister for youth and sports a confirm our parliament say FA no not the ministry but the FA receive $15 million
and then no be ekwa na say be samu Sika om de beko
chamo before the World Cup and as before you qualify to the World Cup the FA and the ministry ne kabo mu represented $25 million to the government say and Sika will be here for World Cup qualification AFCON and the World Cup itself into no painful and as I bang them more and I want Sankasa Sikano His Excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo the two and him say onya the $25 million the mobenya $10 million edi amount not $15 million na kano aja FNA ministry no achinchin ahwehwe 50 million aka na what they account making the 25 million. And the chamo $50 million na FIFA one day a different from the 25 million na FNA no so hwehwe no. So what am I say?
Nyabutro. I buy fancy about
10 million.
And there's a deficit of 50 million.
50 million.
And now 50 million aba.
Akoshemwa. Yes, akoshemwa.
Na ankra corporate entities sponsorship my.
Chamo bi aba me nim kwa no say last week MTN Ghana let me ma the Ghana Football Association $2 million. Sounds so recently another company a little over I think 200,000 yes $220,000 and so before MTN Kwaba mana minister abe confirm actually say after the AFCON no wo kwasere kakra na tama wasere say no wanya $2 million did out the chamo ye nim kwa me say ye wo $4.2 million ewo ha and also ni sika so far minimum double thing say ye wo $4.2 million the chamo $4.2 million dawo and ni sika metima say confirm na ya sere yenya abang so be ma $10 million asana FIFA am I $15 million? It is any kind. About 10 in the FIFA, no 15 bar.
25 no.
Squared out 25.
And yes, a certain 4.2.
Yes.
What the kind say
29.2 million.
Almost 30 million.
To 30 million.
Yes.
Any team, no.
And yet, GF management.
Yes. And you know, Chamo, but one interesting.
Almost appearance fee, no. For group stage, also $8 million.
Yes, I think say me wo.
You need the details,
nah. Chamo, mame ma tie fu hu se ne ahyehyɛ ne te efa ska bia group bia ne ana se stage bia ne sika woje Chamo wo hwɛ estimated expenditure ani FN ministry na dia wo ye but income wo kwa wo benya any group stage and as a qualification say na me kan $15 million what the amount but minister say the FA has received $15 million from FIFA. And so abba de daw. It's yen say yakasa bibi abba. Now, group stage, you know, you benya $9 million participating in group stages, no. Obi benya $9 million. Now, who do round of 16 yama $13 million as prize money. So what my progress I could do round of 16. $13 million. If you round of 16 qualify to the quarterfinals, we have $17 million. Quarter finals no. Na me adom na uram ko do semi finals so what to me enya $42 million. Let's just say no so no grand finale so much another $42 million. Into the group stages origin 9 million, round of 16 13 million, quarter final 17 million and a semi finals 42 million and eventually be winner so when additional $42 million. The Jamo tournament you to me come because yaboka.
That means we can even take them on for cause of financial loss.
Yes.
You $10 million there, you budget. Baby, crying a choir, you might keep in faso, but don't fat 10 keke. Emre, she say, Omukoji 8, Omanya drew group stages with the 8 in the beba.
Yes. Chamo, Minister Amayati Asisika will spend from the group stage to probably say, we'll do semi finals. In a group stage, Minister say, we'll spend $8.2 million. $8.2 million. And Isika will spend our group stages. Now we're moving from group stages to the round of 16 now. What's your best spending? $8.8 million.
How do you remember 13 million?
How do you remember 13? 13, no. 13 years round of 16, no. What 13? So your best spending 8.8. Our round of 16. Now me I don't need to do quarter finals. Minister say kai babo team ni now quarter finals no. $9.5 million.
Also you must kai.
Also no quarter finals no. You could do our $17 million.
Ne obe here mo
9.5 million dollars.
So the beka bi wachi timi konko
yes.
In the boys na ni abro no mu kokko manima. Da ma bi esika ekom ni ensa beka.
Yes.
Na sa football people dey no guys kan ko hemma no. E ho atien so man. Entimi sense kan ko go football. Go dey din komo cheche.
I mean, I don't need to do semi-final as a team and as a country. You be receive and as a minister, you best spend $14.2 million.
And yes, semi-final.
Semi-final. But who do semi-final? FIFA and I cut off on Eramau a year $42 million. 42. See, you could do about 42. But yes, your bubble team no a year almost $14.2 million.
Any 15 crowd.
Yeah, $15 million. And from all, what's 15?
They say Rantan is some coaching a comp and coding.
Yes.
Cook brand pana. Yetiminya bibi kakra film.
Yes, Chamo.
Ni na ene me ba.
Chamo tournament yi de nya dia ye beka se yakwa koboka. So what you say? But then 11 a.m. The coach and I say FN in the coach in I say the squad.
You better go and find the live.
11 a.m. Yes, you beat him find the live. You know, 11 a.m. announcement. You know, about now. Chamo controversies be bring so na baba squad a yede record tournament.
I just say be more confundum so you na leaky and answer then.
Chamo leaky na listen leaky na pranso aba enti changes bebem.
Is that for players be cry any na so mo mrabi?
Yes, nanka player ni penny downs and kobetuma kobi Abrante Jeffrey Schlupp about my Crystal Palace our English Premier League. Prior na FNO no friend ka 55 no. Na was on we do 26 no. Ya so dey so toto for managers Abrante na nka ho. Ama ni agent kwa ni agent kwa na me hu say on count is that ko hwe ni Instagram page or the towards FNO a bunch of criminals. They are move beyond friend biem. They just say amfa. But ne anope mi sanka ne say emsem komo dia koso. Pressure akọ. Coach to add the technical team ne dey Osanko nya Jeffrey Schlupp no. But pe ne am so tete no just say FNO no empa Brante no. FNO ne am so tete no.
Kwame, you see anti coach Otuado for the human to homa FNO nkoye. Do baby you threaten. Also him if me integrity na be team some the team they call World Cup in order for me to achieve some feat na me see via come now also na FA champion FA chairman FA wanwan unim at this 11 hour for our team yeah our Ghana for ebeti and now anas ayi yese ye mani nyini ade pressure by your man friend ya solve and then you may ye ko hwe bi my arrangement the boy osim say producer yesim me di nipa 5 my chance say me I'm reserve 5 slots ma me ni okuma team no sports me ba ko be ko
okay
na ye ko hwe ne ye ko so ye betane ye kan na nye bojo anchenchen roadside bi all I'm saying is at the end of the day on my out say any pressure confronting mommy they're dictating and I will not take it for that matter Kurt coach team no near when you Kurt pressure be balance no eja fire be kono so say on twene nyina nche ya
chomo
ye watch so my ye kobabus ya ne kan ba bia betime kokuya ne ni tikwa no de ko ne atwa ne enya sika na ba beboa nyuma kakra ne ate ye 10 million free mu ne enya bia kaka ho na wo se mempena mo ko form player ne de be shem please
chomo on say former coach of the Black Stars coach CK Akono and so no amayati ayo mi asha me sa amayati as say chomo Ever the Black Star player selection na the FA president you know our influence our selection of players and also ni nyina kan bi na eni akoba ne but we are expecting coach Otuado be bold now what me enemy a stronger side Ediama and I say Ediama the Black Stars of Ghana and so man Ghana the likes of Jeffrey Schlupp Majida Shimeru Mo other crop of players you know yenya him say bad things will be to me about room but Krobi I'm confirming I can confirm say pressure na ko the technical team of the Black Stars the FA no so no just Jeffrey Schlupp definitely will be part of the squad and here information may get but difficult but ninyi na nkemfo no e be say 11 am squad coach Otuado and so the beba no e be ding unfortunately say yen top players be a prepare want me make the World Cup no number 1 goalkeeper Jojo Wallacott want me make the squad no Sansona deputy captain at my Black Stars Richard Ofori another top notch goalkeeper on so no me make squad no Baba Idrisu top player in terms of our midfield no ono so nya dia obetima make squad no nya say injury ana etimi akwatia emranti nti ye say Danlad Ibrahim confirmation about Abrante no onam kwanso a oreko kata ono no say wadu Abu Dhabi anesa Abrante na fa no kama ono so we Daniel Efriye Bani can also confirm say after the announcement of the squad no on coach Otuado and be moving from Ghana to Qatar. Now Lawrence Atizigi, Nuruddin Abdulaziz, right? And I know Nuruddin, Manaf Nuruddin, and also another goalkeeper. One that you see will make his squad. And until goalkeepers on the train, I can confirm say about Nuruddin, Manaf Nuruddin, Lawrence Atizigi, and I feel so Abrante Danlad Ibrahim. When you goalkeepers there, Ebeko, but Chamo or how no Ningen Abetu you say yen top not 2 goalkeepers no Ipraba. I'm
more proud training grounds and I say
one club. various clubs
Abrochi
yes Abrochi various clubs Jojo Wallacott ono da go ma yeko win in Nigeria e qualify we pra
Ochibo anase defense ne boa no players ne boa
let's be honest
apart from Samia Jane who go keeper bia krom ha
so let's be honest Oshe 2 games that oh the boy Jojo Wallacott die against Nigeria I would say Omeki crucial saves are a boa Ghana may qualify. I remember any save against Victor Osimhen or Ghana and also in Nigeria Caesar King
and one on one and I say a pinte
oh one on one Jamo say
only me and I make sure say me back for me see we dey Machigo kakra pe
oh okay oh kwa
me Machigo kakra me pictures bachelor me we need one of the match na dey media games near dey we dey best player me na mefa but all I'm saying is Samia J Nechi, me go keep a Ghana. What? Now you see, you waste talent. At the end of the day, Jojo Wallacott, yeke. Nesugo kipenia. Afraid ye opre. Yahu nesugo kipo Ghana. I'm not saying Sesebi umpre. I don't wish him more. But now opre ye. Yahu nesu player. And nesugo kipo Ghana. Now me just go keep him. Me say go keep a 10-year contract. Players better when your friend when you're giants me all I'm saying is and then you who's go keep Facebook Ghana home beat me shame now akwesi kasem and a certain appearance be okono so akojini dina go keep oh yeah player no oko World Cup is the ultimate in tea remember for match was menko yeah ma me be say menko baby we try am at time just me menko on passport be seen do baby am ni pan unu say so enti Kenya sema wasamenko ya tire kroma akwawe so abotan so ene poor pitches bad pitches a training na dem ko fan crop over no prayer dey have me I about fan kamenko
chamo what's about kind I think say I remember some of the having discussions player be oko World Cup FIFA etua na club player be a club $10,000 a day
in the final set they call equal your local clubs no
yes so anga we say
Kwame get your down for get am
no
I'm telling you I'm so ain't you be an Ghana they say home so you look at all these things
yes in the out of the 26 players what did Dreams Chamo there's no Dreams FC player in the squad but your Dreams as in former players
no Chrome they say I know kids of UK buy na mo City FM those days na me share ne na ochre na ne ochre ne ya me see Nigeria Brent go bob na chisa am page me man Land Cruiser and driver ni bibia am say na say oga ento cause we you dey chop you know dey talk okay say this company I'm not surprised you don't do this
yes chamo very very sad is 26 players and at least 6 in your local
government be building actual depths that's the work of the sports
that's the work of the interesting story Qatar now host the World Cup Qatar decided say obey football way back 2000 they decided to say may football no anything about football in 2004 Qatar established an academy called Aspire Academy. I don't know Aspire Academy. Over Africa, baby, the aim was say we will host the World Cup one day. It's an Aspire Academy name bra. Yan pick tell him ni nguru mi won. Say na be that ye benya no they need to host the World Cup. You to benya players am wan ba makata. Jamo World Cup no na Qatar host 26 players are Qatar dey World Cup no 20 if they Aspire Academy name.
From all over.
You were Ghanaian wom.
Uncle
Mutawakilu.
Uncle.
It's a just say the vision and action and they work towards the vision.
Kwame, unim. And then say and then my voice.
Yes.
We can let me tell you, Ghana Chrono. I'm not a prophet of doom, a doomsday prophet. Minim how I be typing bonnet. How can we live as a people for 60-something years after independence? Before independence, Ghana was an existing state. No more. Until then, so we were banon no be nim. Yet the Sebio Kafra, Mr. Mikau. Yes, I anti was me manifesto ni. Me obakufo. Me my dream no waba, no ko. Now we are ba, no ko. You need national agenda, national direction be any. sports, we have talent. When you're working, Senkodai kwa $10,000 a day or per match was
a day.
And yet me planning towards this. And you're doing a kufuado. You're doing say what Bruno. And you're doing a maybe when these are areas we can harness talent.
Aja for real.
This is us. For sure, are we serious? You told data yet. And we can request, we can ask. So look, we are demanding a national agenda. We want a clear policy direction on sports. We want a clear situation on youth development. And yet, what is the future? What does the future hold? Free range. And you know, Musa, who now call. Obi boss now, you so be with the do rooms. What here? You found near Kusiu. Obi born so now when they don't want be. We can't live like this.
Chawoka Uncle Ben Kofi.
Yes.
No, I think the only FA president that by always me, Master is there. Yes. Or the 10-year development plan by. And they produce the likes of Suleiman Mutari and Stephen Apiamo. You mean as the FA president, yeah, plan man, proper plan man, or the other was it. We need plan no. Omanga Asana Kano. Yakuni. Ebi ni wa obi aba my boss.
Sports minister no or think I say. Right, Omebia and Kumun Crawford training Crawford. Then they say we sports. Why has Alan Martin stated that trade ministry from Kufuor's time to now? Because we think he has a certain connection, network, and knowledge. In Tomedom cause sports, no. As for sports, here, it's the most experimented ministry. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that.
The only minister crying out by FNN a you. I remember, is it Mahama Ayaraga, right?
Yeah.
2015. After Oko by no, they would have a president. Oh, as a minister, crowd need Timo. Yan Petimu Mao, Yan to Timo Mao. A whole sports minister, every president, just Yan to Timo Mao.
But why they say, Nyauta Makulu?
Yes.
Nyauta.
Yes, Nyauta Makulu.
I don't know.
Jamo, and you know, I think say you so
goalkeepers when you are
goalkeepers. No, I met my confirm before coach Bebana here. Nuruddin, Manaf Nuruddin.
Oh, see me.
Oh no, Upen, Upen, very talented guy.
Open away.
The word, I know. Belgium, the boy. And Belgium, is another top-notch country.
I mean, he's on 10,000 because Belgium. Now, this was no. $10,000.
We've criticized Sanya Mano. Many clubs have discussed. And only 26 players, 6 that's no. Local players. Nanka, a day be only 10 days to pay or her. $100,000 about club will be more Ghana. At least we know of the Ghana Premier League Benya for $40,000 as I. No Benya $100,000. Barney every year Barney had to folk player. Confirmed Obekobi. Danlad Ibrahim confirmed Obeko. Onoye Kotoko. These two players from local scene. 10,000 BID. Abeboa Kotoko has in here. It's the for one from Brekum Chelsea, from one from Mediama, from one from
Ready if you tell me, I don't know.
When you say Brekum Chelsea is your fantastic goalkeeper.
Adjoa is also bored. Adjoa is also bored.
So bored.
Oh, the boy.
Oh, what's the of this? No, the boy. We will not allow you. No, we will not allow you. We will not allow you.
Football no ya to koye china no adwa a decorated axe is still a donkey you know.
What's the meaning of this?
As I dey adwa share dey Brekum Chelsea na kumam kotoko.
Yes, sir. Sunday because I say Otunfo, life patron so the boy, after the way, cardiologist.
Me teacher or chairman there.
After cardiologist.
Me teacher chairman sports me who adwa mo studio na obedam show oye okan ho oye ne o sisa adwa kotoko. Na be adwa kotoko.
No, yes say Sebio Kafra. Okwasana Zanadwe. Now okra na wo ayi Nigeria. Na na fe so abagana.
Aja me mayo.
Me maye. Adwoa dia wo kan eno no kotokwa onyi ya ne say wo ko Brekum Chelsea. Na ne loyalty the professional loyalty bibia adwuma wa ya me promote no the boy.
Tell me mention one sig the ente ofre adwoa kotokwa ne say okuradom on say kotoko
kuma beba eno an zama no de ma
anene mra na ya adwoa kotoko
ayo de beto so no the boy o yes ana yo bufo ayo de beto so na ana ka say misiano adwoa wa humi ana oh the boy
aja sports no uma me nkan kwa me de me na ne me hu do na beba sports minim ne ne one adwoa wo
how the way you be
fa minim se adwoa de wo ka Brekum adwoa onye kotoko yes kotoko fo bi kura wo yes ko bi kotoko kotoka amano ama na die yes
ana wan kono Brekum Chelsea
onya ade yenko nim na the boy nsem na
aka amo mano ana ose ompe Brekum Chelsea into wanye into Brekum Chelsea for samoti enka munti adwoa resist all this and say if this allegation can be substantiated nko a mo replace adwoa
omo ye hwe nim na fa adwoa ho na adwoa ho di hu abufuo
ekoye ana koye when adwuma yi am promote no from one
adwuma de baby a reliable source yes adwoa nim adwuma papa yes yeti hai adwoa betima my sponsorship by say 4 at a go.
Thank you very much the boy come here so far should I say so far so good because
so far so good your commentators for tell
so far so average you're good good morning once again.
Good morning, sir.
We are going to look at the team strength, the preparation, and all that. But we share to say near Kenya, to say Adwoa player you can goalkeeper, and then you still look elsewhere. And what is happening? Football for what is happening?
Well, I think that Ghana and somebody they a dozen, but it looks like say we share system anymore. You to know are gradually picking up in terms of in quotes reasoning and making tangible decisions. Be a woman feel say if young leaders I have better power into them it take into consideration a boy better young life going forward and no be na say but it seems say leaders are one more editor sa no manano no but these are men are women so anymude yebehwe FA president hwe ne background baby a ofree and ne football we nyina no journey no ano adin da no na American one man be or the match you say or EPL nim or oka EPL ukowo mo FA body na o hobby na oye Ketokreku Junior University of Liverpool inti mi hu adwena sa similar schools no and one funny thing is say Ghana for no most of times no wo school outside na wo topi and Ketokreku hu nsem a wo ka Liverpool no ekire bibia say oye no you be a ogina ne nanso even sa wo EPO mo wo ye den na do that of Ketokreku ni experience and the ideas behind football.
And why is he doing this?
From there oba no obefa FA Cup and ye nyina ye hu say obrande FA Cup no edu a certain level ni ye nyina sa time no na ye qualify for say he will become a future president of the Ghana Football Association.
And he is today.
Yes, ye nyina ye hu because obe peja FA Cup no competition no edu level
bia. Is he comfortable now?
Na any ediechi even than young Ghana Premier League.
So why is he doing this now? Feeling comfortable?
I think say baby a waba bedu no I say the brain no afoforo ne kakra. Now when you had the opportunity so betumi aba be a boss over an entity so than baby I no want because FA Cup no this minus competitions but overall no league kata sa nyoma ni nyina so maybe no feel comfortable ejuma okay and any future admirations so baby nya positions bi say no internet was on work so hard na wetumi enya and then be na initially wetumi announce say young leaders no wo ba with wo manifestos ni sa nyoma no just to maneuver their way through na wo ba benya sa positions and I think say no be na say so ba be do ha no now or part of the government of Ghana, because the moment I obey the FA president, you are under Ministry of Youth and Sports, then that link, so according to say chain. Ubenya FA president nepe e was say won finding a way now only the Ministry of Youth and Sports minister no any one utumi wini minister nepe we wini aban not so that is all and the enhwe kwan a ye fa so a Otuado we ba be ye coach me amiti mi suade but it won't even happen say me were even a senior team that is this clubs local clubs and say bibi kra e hardly say media adwuma be ma obi ti say Otuado say on manage on do even the level so be coach kotoko and say has folk even in the local scene yes you bet to me amano sa opportunity but to African competition kranya dey be to me na bo and yenhwe for Otuado to be given the first choice as Ghana Black Stars manager backed by Chris Hughton yenim ni pedigree in coaching ejuma wa ye top flight level no ni momu na be ye any advice and I think say sanu o mani nyina calls for sa political affiliations ni bi and ye nyina ye hu how a president influence the appointment of a coach Otuado onya the backing and the FA also had the backing of the president because just after the Nigeria president and kasa womu ye no live video call or kasa ye show ni pleasure say in no be to akoso to ado be to akoso na we odi ejuma na man mumfa man
maybe the president spoke out of euphoria. He was so happy.
Yes,
Ghana qualified. Couldn't someone have drawn attention? Honorable and now His Excellency, we need to do a proper due diligence.
That is
there was an assignment we gave him. He has completed this one. We need to now look at who leads the team. And for that matter, Chris Hughton, who has a track record, has been left at the bench to bench him and all that to deputize him of a sort.
I think.
Chamo, let me chip in this. On the appointment of Otuado, now the government on the end support it. Now government up Chris Hughton, and now. Otuado, my F no year Otuado by no qualify the team to the World Cup. And it's any outcome. We share euphoria no at that moment. Ghana qualify. Will be any agency, Mr. President. Oh, maintain this team. Or maintain a technical team. Never go World Cup. No, and no. But we share Chris Hughton, wa coach Brighton and Hove Albion, Tottenham, Newcastle. But the English Premier League, now the never technical advisor. Now the coach Oya scout ma Borussia Dortmund.
Now here players ma Borussia.
I join the club benya e dey focus on the team na kasa kure no cause time ya na join Borussia Dortmund. Ya ko AFCON no ya assistant coach. Adema coach Milo. O say Dortmund adwuma nti on to me nko. Ampa so wanko na still ya ko so appoint the head coach. Chamo wanyame wan say the likes of players we want to me amfrɛ won no. Wan frɛ wanyame wan because reason ni bi ni say players in my wooden come coach in my free player no want to make it the squad and then the player will ask Aden also make sure who caliber and say who qualities now will be single. How can you tell a player such thing? Meanwhile player now can say or sing will be singing and Jeffrey Schlupp this season for Crystal Palace I think we are missing just one game that's a year and now about 90 minutes and he's playing the same team with Jordan Ayew. Who's the own share Jeffrey Schlupp also on share
coach
also on share but about the same team with Jordan Ayew but Jordan the one who not friend but player no
they want the agent who are town they want to sign some of the players and they I say no kasana nyadia wa me assign one na bibia na say I say
yes there is another player called Joseph Pencil very top notch player. Ordinary wings were good as in striker club. He was from Tema Youth and call Belgium playing for KRC Genk. Jamo yantuma one freno per information Fred one freno. Reason is a FA president and a player and Mengan is a Unipo discover and that's Wilfred Osekwe Kupama, Tema Youth owner. FA president Nenenka all because of FA position and even Tema Youth Dream Chelsea because they do believe in that Dream Chelsea even Abranti Joseph Pinto no one call issue be by now Wilfred Palmer Ababkazi the reason why I want Fred Joseph Pinto is that so Fred Pinto no be ball obeyade ball no more even AFCON recently first game he was our man of the match but second game was Benchino.
And there is also my
big club have to na Palmer na nyeska na ne dey have contest FA position.
Mame ka se. Mo am here presenters musu e bibin film. Minim presenter bia osi so nkran. no yeah dear pa. Or your competition ma another station no oton. No benching. So that space na drive time space. Na station na kotono no. Present an intimi and selling. Or excel you no. When no money I'm number one be a mouse be all right. Obet my fast kwame oya de be sen konkra. When no bench na nya regular. Enti bi na hu say boy no e paja no kotna bench. Na obe shine dodo. That mentality is also adwa yama wa chibium.
Thank you very much.
Net say. Na mo goalkeeper no ade eno so o to ado wo hu na na.
Ghana your goalkeepers be brave. Until I think say ABA did so. It is a politics. You see, una waha. Until una also go first. Want me be jump queue no. Until you can say the right time will come. So Ochima Gunsa games. Yeah, and University of Ghana. And I think they did well. I'm not toppy goals. It's a time by Grigor is super cool. You will be team keeper no so Ghana you will as a BB wo. So it's our mindset. If we don't change as our individuals, dear, it will be going on and on and on. Our players are Betfair Premier League. You so you good, but here from for some.
And nobody's complaining, and nobody's fighting for them. No minister, no MP, no president.
Because
probably
probably the MP too has his player. Maybe a Krobia so on the player. I am the manager. I mean, in Krobia, I want my player to go forward. If your player comes and is going forward, no, he would shine, and I mean, he ain't shining. So that kind of thing, we really need to change our mindset.
What team are you expecting from Otuado today? Who are you expecting?
I think what we've heard out there, majority is true, because as Kevin said, players casa, and as they are traveling. I'm sure they are talking to their family, their friends. So we know most of them are in Doha now. The goalkeepers, unfortunately, our number one, Wallacott, got injured. And so we know Dan Lad, we heard yesterday, was on his way to Doha. So we know 3 of them. As for the players, yes, all this thing that has come out, I am not expecting anything new. So I think it's what we all...
Is that a mystery? You're trying or the beba?
I think we all know what would be there already. I am not really waiting for anything extraordinary, because I can foresee the thing that is going. All the players that are going, we've heard all the players that are there. Apart from Barnier and Dan Lad, no other player is going again from the Ghana Premier League. So the rest...
But Barnier was in top flight.
Yeah, for when the Chan under 23, he and Dan Lad, I think they excelled well. If other players too did, but so apart from that, I can only wish the team well. Yes. Yeah, I'm a Ghanaian. So I would love
technical strategy.
I'm a Ghanaian, so I would love my country to go far.
Let us be sincere. Technical strategy and
Chris Hughton is out there. Yes, Smoker say, or let's say you're higher than Otuado. That's why he's there.
Will he listen to him?
You have to, because Uncle you Otuado. Maybe I will protect you with you, but also a ball.
Let me say this. Otuado adwuma na chamo. Otuado na ngasa after work about me adwuma ni bi. A contract. Whether we win or lose.
But you can't be.
Or Jessica no
See, you can't be in Dortmund forever. Of course, unless you don't want to aspire high to move forward from where you are. Need to work a World Cup. Obiti true show. Send out tacticals or boy. Other teams, of course, to go higher. Now say one another one or one person. Well, if that is where they are, but I know Chris Hughton and co. Technical men, no, draw soon. Technical men now, back.
You said the coach, local coach is 4 years there.
Yes, John Boydu, Dreams FC.
They lost. Players are
I agree with them. These
local
coaches are going to learn as well.
We are not against it, but players number man, Barnier no near this.
Chairman, with the local coaches in Ukraine,
equally important.
Idea F in the Kato about 3 years ago, there about World Cup.
We need Premier League.
Even class and Ukraine wants them.
Kwame.
Because of Dreams FC player, Dreams FC coach.
Oshe Parliament, any governor of the day, or see they should take a percentage of 8 ministers from Parliament.
From Parliament, yeah.
And football for us, Muntimin Shamrabi say, constitution as to constitute a national team, a certain 30-40% should be local players.
Chamo, you bet to me.
Sa Ocean to me more.
Chamo, you bet to me. Oshe the English Premier League. Well, yeah, Mrabi. Say club will be over English Premier League, you know. So make sure starting 11, 5 players now from England, local players.
Good.
That
Because they wanted to build the English Premier.
So why are we
ours individually as Ghanaians, no, our mindset. Nanka political party being ba 1 year the same old story. Not the following way, no, the same opposition. So about meanwhile you've been there before, you've seen it. But Ghanaians will be like, hey, he's come again. That's the mindset. It will never change. It is say we only hope and pray, as I said. We only hope and pray that this team will beat Portugal, beat Uruguay, and beat
South Korea.
Yeah.
Why make you microphone?
On the ball, grandpa, Bamboo. And Bible, I got everywhere because the president go a commentary and go to park no more bono.
Oh no.
That be says young
I say she's only hoping and praying because I said what Tony saw him, her hands are in the air already. On person be kana wo be abom.
Lukaku.
You see
Lukaku no oni Netanya nkra na nya Lukaku. Belgium man no bon ho ka. E kire ne sane keke ball ene. Ghana for person mu disika be wura ball mu. Sanu we ma ade be kofa aba. Hwe in the history of Black Star, say ko for goalkeeper if baby
Black Stars
no. If for goalkeeper if baby at the number be that mu. For the first time you go for tier 2 or tier 3. Ne mi ne yam ya say bra Ghana sha say omo bobo France no mo bobo he France wa be hu bobo awini World Cup play no Ghana da so na mo ntra da so ha na me yam ya club ya kan sem bi book bi osofo bi Matthew Ashimolo or say the third force Africans witchcraft. The third force we say before because before we never before witchcraft beye o hwe ne yakoso Black Stars o camp ne ball ya gigi ska kwakobo nyina beye sam oh yeah massa oh any bi aso o se ngo vampire na me ka be ya be sam say
five bi ana just say
I'm not that.
If I will be an address, me and as a
I want a young Bible. Last time, but
there was on the other hand, on a more serious.
No young Bible, you don't need prayers. Mukoki by your body, Mukipano. Clean sheet, Mammy, goalkeeper or keep a clean sheet. Ghana Premier League season Tremono.
But at least in terms of clean sheet the crown Oshe United goalkeeper no crown he has been well Ajo World Cup be a Ghana qualifier biano oh yeah they are local goalkeeper in 2006 we had Sami Eje with Ole Lichtenstein 2010 Yebenya Abrante from Liberty Professionals I think the Mirror Fini Dinkakra not Joseph Ado from Liberty not Steven Adams was in 2014 then there was this Liberty Professionals Oko winner under 20 with Deda Ayumo that goalkeeper that young chap with Deda Ayumo and Abrante Stephen Aholu was also part of the squad when you are local goalkeepers 2014 we had Stephen Adams and Fatau.
Kwame, before you proceed there's this news we need to quickly break.
Yes
Communication Directorate Dublin House Accra 14th November
yes
2022
yes
in fear in Pinu and you know beam
yes
President Akufo-Addo terminates appointment of Charles Adubuahin. And it reads the President of the Republic Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has terminated the appointment of the Minister of State and the Minister of Finance Mr. Charles Adubuahin with immediate effect after being made aware of the allegations leveled against the minister in the expose Galamsey economy and the president spoke to Mr. Adubuahin after he took the decision to terminate his appointment and also to refer the matter to the special prosecutor for further investigations. The president thanked Mr. Adubuahin for his strong services to his government since the appointment in 2017 and wish him well in his future endeavors. Signed, Eugene Ahin, Director of Communications at the Presidency. And Krabache said, and the payer, she President after Adubuahin matete so boa hodo ene se ne wakwa dwu ho na wo kasa na bagi ya ma unim ya da wase for you see here enti arewusem obi papa ma reho obi papa dwuma bo no obi kunu obi ba ni krom food ni betu am ho na so na busia me yama no but unfortunately this is what has happened. Unfortunately
I think me nya o yama omo aden sankrofo no Ghana ɛma politician bia mu nyɛ ɔmɔbɔ especially wɔn mu a ɛwɔ aban mu no sisi yɛ yi no adwo aka ase deɛ no korɛ ɔmu sɛ ayɛ sɛ mfirihyia nwɔtwe ɔbɛsia baabi ɔba saa mess na ɔbɛyɛ na 3 years in 2017 bɛpɛ mu nɛ ɔwɔ sika sin teacher ni a ɔbɛ pension akyerɛ deɛ 30 years.
Chairman, I think that on this one, quick one, I think that the president, I would say, is 1 year a little fair enough to your Charles Eduboyani. You know, the video, no, can say and share. If you accept and a president, then we'll definitely announce. We'll show it to the president before about yes, president. But at least on China and by 10 p.m. I don't
think it's a good decision the president took.
Yes, yes, that's what I'm saying. He hasn't been fair.
You are letting the guy jump the gun.
Yes.
They say, Onya Bayajuma in Ibiu. Maybe special prosecutor. Because only, I don't know what, anyway, I can also fault the president. I don't know what he has seen. On Kaswa in the Uncle Keke was it or the Assembly special prosecutor should further the investigation. So it means that Bia don't know. I be kohuna nyumre na go bomb wa na go pewa e ti sa bra onim I say oni obi adwuma na bibi say we na dia he's not under no obligation to come to it o friend of Papa
yeah
he's not that any on that score the only idea me president terms up here having referred it to the prosecutor so that certain actions can be fed maybe on that score and yes idea guess how many tinam ne bi ohwe anim gwase beka aban ne adena na ya hwe ne ebe free mu aba ebe ko hwe bi ebe ko ana onko
o chamo ye ginem say number 12 na me ho na yisu na me wo ma woni nim chamo office of the OSP no kra mo issues wo ho several cases galamse asem ya yewura Charles BCU ya no na executive no executive interministerial committee galamse hu chamo ebe to anas kuru ya be chere video just say oje bribe ya the man OSP we clear ni say onye hwe e ti chamo we no so na aka no to cover things up gbagba ye yin phone to go share expose ni kura ka say after all say president ye yin down e dem go say hwe chamo that's that game we nyina no ye nim nti no o de yan go share en go asen de baba say anas no che say a name shame and what jail nti no we name shame no de baba na jail no na ri nya adwuma nti no chamo ya no de ye nya hwe say for the baby
to everywhere from top to down
no we say jail no party chamo mbaso so we name Charles Edubu ayen obe shame no na jail no
an avenue and a means of cooling hearts down because say bibi amba say ansa na enyum ye bebuobo ho a ebedu enyum ka kwahwa ade e ho krampo no enye obi a anya ade obi ampo be wish so be hwe sa part because yes but sanka when take any decision and ko pie mu ho sa time na onim sisi ano the anger e wo Ghana fumu and how anka ye be react to that issue and on social media everywhere so means o take to cool things down. It's like said last way director of sports education you cool then a better matter of discussion about the media scene. That is all. Not BBS.
But if you can remember, isn't the same thing that was due to Nantechi? When it was shown, Oberlandi, I think that one he was outside. Oberlandi, in terms of, was it who was in power?
That was Nana Dankwa Akufo.
Him say tactics.
Yes.
Who video more?
Yes.
Like why not before you even be shown?
Yes.
So unfortunately, news. Very unfortunately.
To be honest, I have fair to where Charles Edubu because video no then.
I mean, and I'm gonna say, wow, can say President Nya Akwanya Ahwe ohwe bia situation na it is so damning enti Jinanche na special prosecutor and take the matter on
look the full video sees that the leaders at the top womu inyanhwe nwie ya there's no one on be to me about baby
we are digressing let's come and get this one
sana kind yanko kata
Jumadie no
yes
so far we have a
okay Shannon so say Okuma ni yanko kata dwumadi no ye be brew e wo abobo ano.
Sa wo pese samre wo boy e chidom a wo betimi afre numbers edidi so yi 0549012454 and 0246435565. Restaurant, bars, eye ankrankra samre mu pese mu boy e chidom akonya wo ho mamo se mu be frɛ me enu madi nsa wo so. Yanko kata 2022 e wo Okuma 97.1 radio.
Okuma yanko kata World Cup 2022 eni Asia.
Na Kwame, and Shaya, you know, me can say the arrangement need be a pub invasion. Yeah, the commentary ne you could I don't know. Can you throw more light on that one?
Okay, Chamo on say Rebecca during the AFCON you started Jumedi say you various pubs in restaurants na the tournament na come on was football no for the people. And you know, say to me Edeko na Nipans have a few of a tournament now. This time around World Cup no so no sana kind of paying fine she say you know kama and you know sana kind pub invasion the ballroom restaurant pubs other event centers onja to say yen wundi jumano and also ye Rebecca into you know various pubs wo ekwapem ha no and also you be na live commentary no ye aba interesting thing is jamo wo share AFCON e twema. Apart from Okuma Radio, there's no radio station in Ghana or live all the matches, live commentary, all the matches except Okuma Radio. And AFCON, all the games, live commentary. This time around, so no Okuma 97.1 commentary, no, the Beba World Cup. Which time all matches na Sichamo Zebe, ya to your West, wana ya and she say the commentary Beba na Ejoze Okuman, Ija announcement, you know, pubs, restaurants, and the unya my elite bar. Na fin so yentena sin painful no better na sana hye bia one why na commentary no area ba ya the brown so fa so bibiri na abenya wo so din no be kwa chi na manfo ate se apa bu ichale o boss pa o ze weekend ye kwatena na ye twitwa bi kakra na ade a na ma odin no so ekwa chi ntino ade a painful ayen hye no so not only the pubs hotels na ade a mo nyina no obetima ba na so no yetimi aba live commentary no was na e kan no World Cup no ye nyina na ye ko yenya na yaro kokata no ntini yenko kata na afin so no ko fili sene akata ana afin so no Black Star World Cup no so fili no eti
I think say some of the areas by Jama sessions can cover boom.
Yes.
Na Jamano
yeah, Jama section here ba outa on the nkuaku no doors we kropon on the obai or sailors na akuaku bebre e wo enti no before I ba start commentary no you better have a Jama section. I just say it to me build momentum na you feel no so no I very solid na my phone sampa World Cup na ayeko no Ghana man nyina no you throw your support ediama the Black Stars of Ghana and even Qatar for no into Jama sections ebe koso na build momentum asana commentary no so I then aba predict and win so no ebe koso game bia na sa commentary bia no make the right prediction and also no ebenya achede
and the predict and win no
yes
mobile phones no money
the airtime yes blenders and the ultimate winner also no yes and so ewo no so benya achede nti no jamo enya sim kuma predict and win obi amfa ne hunyem o predict the correct outcome achede wo airtime branded t-shirt
based on the question the
bema no nti and also no ayade amanfo enche no so and other jumadi aka no so no eto aso ewo hono ma
and I'm say listener studio visitation I'm say
yes.
I'm a tier 4 now on my regular no e mo am say beto say freebie no be come ho na mo so be kire omo adwen wo festival no
yes yes jama won zo bo a dem ya radio na wati ohun say na adwumadi no bo ye ne fa nti ne nyina no onipa no beba na wa be kan ho on a match day na pre-production ni nyina production work nyina no ohun say ne ye no ye say ye sorry ya na ya betena environment e kasa na wa hwe we have a beautiful on say studio no jama Thomas Moro by Germany sound so that's modern it's you know was what we have a view of Niama here want you know send our studio visitation no ebekoso na one journey na commentary ni
I mean any restaurants and hotels be kasana yes
okay
na be bia no nya coupon ne wakodo nkua bi na
listeners no
enya presenters no na enu twemu a bi kwa no nya ba bi no yire na I think you're still talking about it.
Yes.
Ayi say weekend mo jimani kakra. We play more than me boy join to be share.
Thank you for one concept. Chamo of course was solid. Oshie ni pair by any my picky reports na dey amafo remarks a woman no chese ekoye bibia ko yin no what they are say so that one say wotimi ba ebebo ama thank you for concept no.
But o man ntimi ama presenters ama na so mo ye shaking the ba. Say Don Pablo ha we ye see flags mo. No dey aba. Judge Abuem Mandela Junction Don Pablo pa woti ya no pe anti judge say na era KB kano penfo ntuma amba from Okuma. Mani teje gapi.
Oh Jagapi judge ntie jaga no baba o na ye shakes no. Judge so ni me Mr. Bia me be ye. Ono ni Mr. Bia me pe. It no o ye era KB de no ba shake o de no ba na so me Mr. no.
Yeah, me de two.
Oh ye ni two. Okay. For two. Okay.
Jina adena one presenters I don't want ma. Me go
so see as I
gonna boy na na gina
o people ha no mo hwetire.
Yes it is one I want to man dey na you opera ma won it no ono judge so nim na me pe me sha no
Kwame going forward them say more questions no preparation them say ya kick start there ya pa hontaman them say if you awie you koi and a channel pan on there no them say the questions there na to
yes yeah I think say the rango questions ni be fi aba no about World Cup na because World Cup competition no na yebo so enya ade be different from World Cup no World Cup na competition no shall say the year 1930 or Uruguay until from there
you started with what's the World Cup diaries no be transfer so
yeah World Cup diaries no years no
and go for 30 years
see no there from 1930 ebepim the year 2020
question bet from bia
yes
as a question
award you know I think say that would be the ultimate angular questions in to me free bind from there yanso yebema wo solid commentary ne analysis I know so yebe to me yaboa na wo mani etumi age hu ya yebi and wo share AFCON na said ya AKD kan no other any media house otumi ma commentary from day one and copy the finals not even matches in and we made sure say BS I don't know very possible and now walk up on Ghana economy hope say Ghana betumi abo homode na umutumi akọ manim wo mu free mu ntem sa ya na
but ajo can say man channels or say we are hoping and praying that they will score Portugal
Portugal South Korea Uruguay
and to say yeah more pie
Chamo
say ebeko
the boy ti and a Monday Chamo Thursday Ghana first
match players almost do her home
bimu be meet omo bi so be fia ko local players ba kwa aka ba ko after announcement players ni one woni mo obekọ de that mo start preparation woni Chamo on Monday
na no munya fa play ba kwa frefre ko
was ebi mu fino did you already that was on no ball kata one so
England
for no yes English Premier League no break here. Did you also join from Italy in Belgium? They had over count Omana Nitia that
tickets no on Tom Kuchiawa.
Yes, yeah. And Thursday your friendly game against Switzerland. Yes, in Tiano, so yeah, bought that try match. But Temu, before our first game against South Korea, prediction, Baba, we will qualify from the group.
We will.
Ghana will qualify.
We will.
Ghana will qualify.
See, that's why I trust Okumano because most of their predictions it comes true.
Oh,
serious.
Ghana will qualify.
So in time, baby, Sam say what the station predictions it comes through. Into me say,
I'm saying that.
Whatever they predict, it comes.
Initially, well, although this player selection is a factor, but what I'm seeing, Ghana will qualify.
That's wonderful.
Ghana will qualify.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, we will lose against Portugal. It's a fact.
Team will win African Cup and more World Cup.
And yeah, World Cup. We will lose against Portugal any day, but we will still qualify. You will qualify. We will qualify. Calculation is BBS. We will qualify.
Kwame, okay, me duty. Oh, and Kwame, let me talk to Ajwa. Very quick one. I think you are the only female within the team, and I mean going to have you throughout the period. I know we are an apostle of the game. And Tiana Jude, are you going to be with us?
I am ever ready. In fact, I'm a soldier, and when it comes to sports, so I'm ever ready. And Okuma, I must say, ever since I started, it's a great team, great studio, and it's very lovely working with the sports guys. It's and my ready pa.
Okay.
The programs, it be at 9 p.m. My very ready. Obia, you should come on board.
Okay.
And as I said, your predictions it comes true.
Okay.
Nkofoba me baby
Uncrophone.
To the extent I'm say cross bank crown no move fee because I want to do the predictions. It come. Yes, my and your bets as football. Yeah, or football. Yes, and I would be betting on their predictions. Now me nyaka cry ja. Now me they are too much. So great. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, thank you very much, Ajwa. And the boy, I think you've also sometimes joined the sports team. Are you going to be here?
Yeah. Commenting.
Boas,
Boas Beba, Lord Beba, Ezra Beba, and me team. Sorry for no free. Me pass it.
Beba.
Maybe Beba share studio hane ade. Dano me make you promise me almost say. Nan come be here cleaning bio hammer, but still I know.
Okay.
And you know, Ombeba. That's right. So I saw from penny for being super say. Ombeshahane at Ombeba.
Opening ceremony near the bay.
Opening ceremony is Sunday, 20th of November. Time, 7 p.m.
And you remember, 10 years you were her.
Yes.
And opening ceremony, yes. Now I'm out for a baby.
Yes.
I've been trying to talk to DSTV.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm trying to talk to
Ukumamu de yakwa bruchery.
I'm for tea. I never quite sports me at the end. Say, yeah, quite Obi a promise team for no president win no track suit.
Okay.
Track suit now. Me yes selection. Me very careful. I say one more ton. The money at the end. Minimum say if it on television sets, radio sets, and money at the irons near the around. Komuti Nubia near the year Jumedi, yes, your films you and one and no. Yes, one more ton television set near the no. They can walk in here. No, but Chaby, more than 1 year crana. You walk up and come on fat. A baby, I will, and now Chairman Coboso pet dinner. What's it? I don't know comparison idea, but one compares what? Yen to me, ye. Oh, Mignon and say, Monsieur, no more brats as I see the anya bonnet. Ha, Mignon, I see Monsieur, no more brats as I see, and the anya bonnet. The best sports team will go out in the idea. Will be grabbing me walking in. My mamu yogurt, my mamu way, or more. No bill we need, me man 1,000 cities, president win no 1,500, 200 near there. If you be paying, you just say Brennason, one bit to me, and we be up as baby. No, our doors are open. And to me,
thank you.
South Korea for instance, you're going to pay your training. South Korea,
2 players or South Korea.
And your song,
2
and back song in back. Yeah, I'm going Koulibaly replacement, you know. Because I'm going to Ghana.
But 2 players.
Napoli for Koulibaly replacement, you know. I'm Ghana now. But you're gonna find and a boy Chelsea.
Kwame.
Ghana find.
The boy, you're looking at Ghana, any World Cup, any program. What do you see Chelsea?
It was a simple question, harmless question.
Player minimum didn't, and I don't want to transfer my say. Yepa Koulibaly. Nana Musini, Napoli, no. I'm from South Korea.
Also, about this South Korea from match.
I think, sir, Nana Kano. I best read on my normal one put my Jumana, not on wine. Yeah. Say football a time and a dream. And nipa say K Asari and Company Limited. Omada Roma and Ane Ometimi Abuai Amuwo Kingdom Estate Junction. Abu I did start down who Jumana Omoye and K Asari Ewo and Loma Vista IPS. And so Elma Remedial School. Okay. Okay. For a job and so Superb Lounge, Executive Pub, and Sister Millie, Executive Pub, and Otomo Enterprise, almost a done deal, Ready Food, and also Eguswa, Tector Man, and so good. When you sponsors are,
Madame Victoria account a tracksuit, you know, first class tracksuit. Predator win tracksuit. so ne fam kama
first class beauty
salon yeah asɔre for me boy Pentecost ne nye prison dan nko Pentecost Methodist
I think say paps no so sne Kwame Ken no you can still talk to us numbers no I'm submitting numbers na to Kwame
Chamo numbers are no I think that okay I mean we are say na mensanka numbers na from to na okay 1 2 1 see I'm on phone see aso okay all right but Chamo I just blues muka mama ejo utie me anope ya nkomo no em say ye dia na santino me sorry pe me bana beje update no na je say bibia kama sanso na Chamo melody Jesse Hub awo kantamanto me ne di wo se me mfre no enti no me frɛ melody na ya hwena ya bibia dino melody Jesse Hub on so no o ma enti nka na ehu baabi asese yakwa akodu ewo adwuma hyehyɛ a me ne no enso no Chamo numbers no eni 0549 012454 0549 012454 and 0246 435665 0246 4356 5565 0246 435565 and that's 0549 012454 0549 012454 any numbers are free mpanyefo nso ne obedi nkomana fe nso no sponsorship no ihye bi a wo no mpanyefo nso no etimi eno aye Chamo eze no enche bia no the big announcement no so ebeba
say aka make a crabby e go am say bedamase na say kan no ya ton sa free other sponsors say bo ma proma na no kwa me fida na me obi kasa na say me okeke na nya me debate onye ready ni debate oh come on but it is all good that is a part of the job this is what it is nti bedamase na yakoswa edi akire na niamatimi akokama edi amana pay yafasa zakese ma pa kwese je couragement any kwese citizen and come DJ Donzi DJ Zigibi and a list of Kwame when that goes off my fan pay Krobia ebeboami and Kevin so ebai ebeboy and abena exonam I hope ajwa so ajwa pokua ebeboy entimidini Kofi so ba for KB anopay yakram haya